Warm welcome to all of you, all my dear students. Very good morning. So, just to let me know, am I audible and visible to all of you? Can you hear me? Can you see me? Kids, very good morning. H.S.P Gaming, warm welcome. So, today you can see we are going to solve such type of questions. Ministry of Education, Government of India, the NEET. So, I'm going to start with most weighted chapter. I will let you know in this session that what is important for you, what type of questions will be asked in your examination, what mistakes you are not supposed to do in examination, and the things, what each and everything is required. What I can see, welcome Akshat, welcome Abilaja, everyone, very good morning. This session will definitely give you full marks because I'm going to discuss each and everything in this session. Today's session, warm welcome, very good morning to all my future doctors, my dear students. 1111 Ashi Priya, very harnishing good morning to each and every one of you. Without wasting even a single minute, I will say that whatever is required, what is important, I am going to deal with all those things. Mere pyare bachcha log, I will repeat in English, I will repeat in English, each and everything, because the language should not be a barrier, right? So by crossing over all the obstacles, today's session is going to be the most important one. This is going to be a short and precise session. So just to let me know that everyone is ready. First of all, I would like to say Sandhya, very warm welcome, because I was waiting for today only, because this is the last day for getting the best, and I'm not going to waste even a single minute. So my dear students, is everyone ready? Am I properly audible and visible? If yes, I would like to see the chat section running speedily. Now, you know about your Baba H.S.P, so no need to give the introduction, because your Baba H.S.P is rank producer, mass selection giving. In the previous 27 years, Baba H.S.P, your H.S.P has given number of ranks and number of selections. No need to mention it that Baba H.S.P has done his MTech and gold medalist in MSc. All the best, all the best. No, my dear students, let me tell you, whatever you are scared of, just you see the chemistry in the air, your confidence level will increase. And this session is only for those students, those who are hardworking. If you're not hardworking, you can leave this session. You can go anywhere where you can waste time. So this session right now, I'm going to deal with only for those students, those who are really hardworking. I'm not saying whether you are intelligent or not intelligent. What I'm saying, if you are hardworking. So let's go. You see NEET, aldehyde and ketones and carboxylic acid. This includes maximum number of things. I will move chapter wise, right? Is it clear? Write down yes. I'm going to move. Duration of session will be very short. I have told you it's a very short and precise session. ये बहुत ही कम time wasting करने वाला. It's not like 12 hours, 11 hours. Log people are teaching. What is important? I will go with that. Okay. Now see. Topic distribution analysis. You see 2009 to 2024 year-wise question breakdown. If you see nucleophilic addition reaction, 25 to 30 questions. Are you getting my point? Everyone, are you getting my point? 25 to 30 questions, they are coming. You can see, is it visible, kids? Is it visible to all of you? Just to let me know that, wait, what happened? Nucleophilic, yeah. So if you see over here, what I was trying to tell you, my dear students, nucleophilic addition reaction, 15 to 20 questions from 2009 to 2024, they have asked questions based on this. Now see, product production, 20 to 25 questions, and reagent effect, 10 to 12 questions, and stereochemistry, 8 to 10 questions. My dear students, acid base catalysis, 8 to 10 questions. So Whatever they have asked in the previous year, this is the bifurcation. My dear students, by keeping each and everything in our brain, we are going to solve the questions. The screen visibility is there. Do let me know. Good morning, Visham. Good morning. Everyone, do let me know the screen is properly visible or not. Then only I will start the questions. Screen visibility is there properly. These bifurcation you see in the year 2009 to 2024, this is the bifurcation. Now my dear students, see to it, everyone, just see to it. Frequently asked pattern. What is the frequently asked pattern? If I talk about frequently asked pattern, because while appearing in the examination, you should know what pattern will be there, what type of questions they will ask. Now see, addition of hydrogen cyanide and cyanohydrin, Grignard reagent, sodium bisulfide, and formation of oxime. Now see, my dear students, common NEET format, everything is given. Now general nucleophilic addition mechanism. And now let's move to the question number 1. So see, here I am going to deal with question number 1, sample NEET questions, and here is your question number 1. Just see to it, everyone, just see to it. On your screen, here is question number 1. Just see to it and try to answer it. What should be your answer? Product formed when acetaldehyde reacts with hydrogen cyanide in presence of HCl. I think it's visible to all of you. It's visible to each and every one of you. Product formed when acetaldehyde reacts with hydrogen presence of HCl. HCl and HCl. Let me check it out. What answer you people? A. Bhuvneshwar Nath is going for A. So let's see whether A is going to be the correct answer or not. Acetaldehyde is CH3, CH double bond O. You can see this is delta positive and this is being delta negative. Can you see? And hydrogen cyanide. Now what is the role of HCl over here? HCl role. This is this acetaldehyde is very less reactive. Now from HCl, this HCl, H plus will come and attack on this oxygen. So it will get converted into CH3, CH positive and OH. Now there was partial positive charge. Here is complete positive charge. Now it can very easily react with hydrogen cyanide. Hydrogen cyanide is a weak acid. Very weak acid because its pKa value is 9.4. Now from this H delta positive and Cn delta negative, Cn delta negative, that will come over here and it will form CH3, CHOH, Cn. Remember that. What is the name of this compound? Acetaldehyde cyanohydrin. Raj Singh, very good. Raj Singh, welcome. Now, acetaldehyde cyanohydrin, if you do the hydrolysis, and this is chiral carbon, so you will get CH3, CHOH, COOH, lactic acid, positive and minus, equal amount, because the attack of cyanide was equal in amount from the above and below the product, means from the upper side and from the lower side. 50% attack will be there and you will get racemic mixture. Now let's see the answer. So what answer? Ethanol? No. Propanol? No. 2-hydroxyethane nitrile. Now see, 1, 2, 3. 2-hydroxyethane nitrile. No. 2-hydroxypropane nitrile. A is the correct answer. A is the correct answer. How many of you got A as the correct answer? You see to it. A is the correct answer. A. A is your answer. Now, another question. This question. Everyone focus on this question. Which of the following does not give addition reaction with sodium bisulfite? Sodium hydrogen sulfite. Quick. Which of the following does not give addition reaction with sodium bisulfite? शांति मोय मंडल चैप्टर ग्रुप में चेंज होगा. Not getting D. Shanti Moy Mandal is going for D. Benzoic acid. This is aldehyde acetone. Yeah, benzoic acid is the correct answer. So everyone just see to it benzoic acid because that is an acid, and correct answer given by Shanti Moy Mandal. Now, question based on aldol condensation and Cannizzaro reaction. Aldol condensation and Cannizzaro reaction. NEET pattern analysis is given over there. So this is very high weightage topic. So let's go with this aldol condensation, and aldol condensation, you see Cannizzaro reaction and aldol condensation. Question number 1. Here is question number 1. You see to it. Everyone, quick. Which pair of compound will undergo cross aldol condensation? I'm waiting for your answer, everyone. Which pair of compounds will undergo क्रॉस एल्डोल कंडेंसेशन? सभी लोग ध्यान से देखेंगे, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. यही आपको बताएगा योर प्रिपरेशन, वेदर यू आर गोइंग टू गेट मार्क्स और यू विल फेल. एवरीवन, Shanti Moy Mandal is going for D. Very fast. Let me see which pair of compound. Acetaldehyde and formaldehyde. It's not having no alpha hydrogen. So acetone and acetone both are same. So they can't be the answer. Formaldehyde, no alpha hydrogen. Acetaldehyde and acetone. So Shanti Moy Mandal, your preparation is very good. So D is the correct answer, kids. D is the correct answer. So solution will be D. D is the correct answer. Now another question. Now question on your screen. Just see to it, everyone. Quick. Product of Cannizzaro reaction of benzaldehyde. Fast. Product of Cannizzaro reaction of benzaldehyde. Either it will, या तो आपके एनर्जी लेवल बूस्टअप हो जाएगा या कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल डाउन हो जाएगा. जल्दी से देखें और आंसर दे एवरीवन. सो इट्स वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन दैट benzaldehyde, 2 moles of benzaldehyde in reaction with concentrated NaOH, what they will produce? C6H5COONa plus C6H5CH2OH. These will be the two products. So see where it is given. To benzoic acid and benzyl alcohol. This can't be the answer. This can't be the answer. This can't be the answer. So A is the correct answer. Fantastic. Those who have given A to be the correct answer, their answer is correct. A is 100% correct. Now distinguishing test. Very important. Very important. Tolerance, phalanx, 2,4 DNP test, iodoform test. Now see how many tests are important. Tolerance, phalanx, Brady's, iodoform, SIPS, and Grignard reagent, right? Very important. 12 to 15 questions they have asked. See, every year they have asked the questions. You see, this holds a hell lot of weightage. So let me go with the questions. High yield test, oxidation, test for methyl, test for carbonyl group, test for conjugated. Now important distinguishing test. All these are important distinguishing tests. So let's go with the, now see, everyone, first of all, before starting giving you questions, just see, if I talk about tolerance test. Remember that if we have talked about tolerance test, those who don't know anything about tolerance test, what is going to get produced? This AgNH3 whole twice plus is tolerance reagent, oxidation of aldehydes, and it will give the product a silver mirror, Ag plus, argentus, Ag plus will change into Ag. Ag plus will change into Ag silver mirror, that is bright shining silver mirror will be the product, bright shining silver mirror. Ketones, no change. But what is missing in NCERT, let me tell you kids, if you are having alpha hydroxy ketones, जैसा कि भाई और बहनों आप सभी ने देखा होगा कि हमारा फ्रक्टोज, फ्रक्टोज एक कीटोन है, फ्रक्टोज एक कीटोन है। दुनिया का कोई भी अल्फा हाइड्रोक्सी कीटोन, दुनिया का कोई भी अल्फा हाइड्रोक्सी कीटोन अगर है तो भाई ये टेस्ट देगा, एंड दिस इज द मिसिंग पार्ट ऑफ एनसीईआरटी। इफ यू सी, नो दिस इज नॉट फ्रक्टोज, सॉरी दिस इज नॉट फ्रक्टोज, let me change, it's not fructose. So fructose is CH2OH C double bond O R, alpha hydroxy ketone, alpha hydroxy ketone। दुनिया का कोई भी alpha hydroxy ketone like fructose, all they will give positive tolerance phalanx SIPS test. Why they will give? Because it will tautomerize. In basic medium, it will tautomerize to give you CH double bond O CHOH R. That's why fructose is also a reducing sugar. Now, so they have given silver mirror. Now see kids, everyone just see to it. 2,4 DNP test, you know that either your YOR, either yellow color will appear, orange color will appear, or red color will appear. Color appearance will show, that is indicating 2,4 DNP test. And what is Brady's reagent? 2,4 dinitrophenylhydrazine is Brady's reagent. Now what happens in iodoform test? You see iodoform test, iodoform test holds a hell lot of weightage, और इसमें होता क्या है, I2 plus NaOH, and you will get yellow precipitate of CHI3, either RCHOH CH3 will give this test, or RC double bond O CH3 will give this test, or in place of these three hydrogens, halogen can be present like RC double bond O CH3 will give this test. Remember that. Now everyone, now here is question number 1. Everyone, are you ready? Are you ready for this? Question number 1. Which compound gives positive tolerance test but negative phalanx test? Very good, very good, very good. Right, Bhuvneshwar and Shanti Mandal is active. Rest of the other students, what are you doing? Are you scared of? बैठ के रोने से अच्छा है कुछ पढ़ लो। मेरे साथ आओ मेरे दोस्तों कुछ पढ़ाई करो। Shanti Mandal is going for C. Acetaldehyde will give both benzaldehyde, 2-hydroxyacetophenone. My dear student Shanti Mandal, your answer is wrong. Your answer is wrong. Shanti Mandal, your answer is wrong. 2-hydroxyacetophenone. 2-hydroxy acetophenone. You see, it is ketone. And 2-hydroxy. ketones, tolerance test and negative phalanx test. Your answer is wrong. This is wrong. Glucose is wrong. Benzaldehyde will be the answer. Benzaldehyde gives positive tolerance test but negative phalanx test. Prathavi, very good. What's the name? Srivastava, P.R. Srivastava, your answer is right. Everyone got failed. B will be the answer and take care of it, kids. Remember this. This is very, very important. Everyone mark my words. Benzaldehyde. In the examination, you will get failed otherwise. You people will definitely get failed if you not remember this. Benzaldehyde, bacha. Benzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde gives positive TT but negative FT. How will you remember that? Benzaldehyde, Benz, you know, Mercedes Benz plays TT but does not play football. Remember that. Why? See the reason. Now see why. Because you know that Cu2 plus and Ag plus, they all are oxidizing agent, mild oxidizing agents. They all are being mild oxidizing agent. But who is having more power to undergo reduction? Do let me know. Out of these two, whose SRP value is more? So the answer is SRP value is increasing in this way. If you don't know the SRP value, then remember who is more costly, silver or copper? Definitely silver is more costly. So its power to undergo reduction is more. So its power to undergo reduction will be more. चांदी हुई महंगी, गोल्ड हुआ बहुत महंगा, चांदी महंगी. So its SRP value is more, and tolerance reagent, in your tolerance reagent, this silver is present, and your phalanx test, this is present. So this is the reason. Remember that it's very, very important for everyone. Shanti Moimandal, Shalvi Singh, got it. Bhuvneshwar Nath, everyone got it. Is it clear, kids? Once the thing is clear, please show me thumbs up or green hearts. बेटा मैं नहीं, फिर ऐसे बात नहीं करूंगा, ऐसे तो हम सब बेकार हो जाएंगे. ग्रीन हार्ट्स या ग्रीन लीप्स कुछ भी शो कर दिया करो. करीम इज देयर. करीम, आर यू देयर? देखना है. अभी 2 लोग फेल हो गए, 3-4 लोग, 90% लोग फेल हो गए थे इस क्वेश्चन में. एग्जाम में जाके क्या करोगे? इस क्वेश्चन में 90% लोग फेल हो गए थे. You see, solution, positive tolerance, aldehyde, most cases, negative phalanx, not a reducing aldehyde. Benzaldehyde gives positive tolerance but negative phalanx. Aromatic aldehyde do not reduce phalanx solution. Is it clear? The solution. See, the solution is also there. Everyone, very good. Now you are following. Now, next, this question. Very good question. See to it. Everyone see to it. You attempt it like NEET before NEET. It's a NEET replica. Everyone, very good. 11-11. Now let's see. कौन देगा इसका सही आंसर? Baba is waiting. हरनीत सिंह, करीम, 11-11, शांति मोहमंडल, ऋषि. देखना है कि कौन सही आंसर देगा इसका. फास्ट बच्चा लोग तेजी से आंसर दो. 2-propanol. 2-propanol. Which of the following gives yellow PPT? Let's see. CH3, CHOH, CH3. तो पहला आंसर आया करीम का. None of these not given, both of these not given. So this तो पक्का देगा. 2-pentanone. अरे विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग गिव्स येलो, ये भी देगा बेटा, ये भी आइडोफोन टेस्ट देगा, देखो 2 पेंटेनॉन भी देगा, 2 लोग देंगे, एसीटोन भी देगा, ये भी देगा बेटा, अरे ये भी देगा एसीटोन, ये तीनों देंगे, तीनों ही देंगे, ये तीनों ही देंगे। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग गिव्स, नाउ बेटा ये मिनिस्ट्री का क्वेश्चन है, नोट दिया है, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग गिव्स येलो पीपीटी, नोट कहां दिया है, कोई लिख रहा है नोट दिया है, कौन लिख रहा है नोट, शांति मोहमंडल डी होगा, क्योंकि नोट पूछा है, कहां पे नोट पूछा है, कहां पे नोट पूछा है, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग गिव्स येलो पीपीटी विद NaOH, शांति मोहमंडल नोट कहां पे पूछा है, होना चाहिए था, होना चाहिए था, होना चाहिए था, विल नॉट गिव, विल नॉट गिव। नाउ माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, ये क्वेश्चन होना चाहिए था, सपोज टू बी लाइक दिस, लेट्स सी। सी डी दिया हुआ है, क्वेश्चन में नॉट मिसिंग है। ऐसे बच्चा जब पढ़ता नहीं है ठीक से तो वो कंफ्यूज हो जाता है कि ये क्या हुआ, नॉट देना चाहिए था या ऑल ऑफ दीज देना चाहिए था, या तो नॉट देना चाहिए था या ऑल ऑफ दीज देना चाहिए था, राइट। नाउ अनदर क्वेश्चन, carboxylic acid and its derivative, these are the Marx distribution, you can see Marx distribution. Now key concepts, reactivity order, एसिड हैलाइड की अन्ना की निकले हाय, फलों की खुशबू अमरूदों से आए, दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, दिस रिएक्टिविटी ऑर्डर इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, मार्क माय वर्ड्स। नाउ हाउ टू रिमेंबर दिस reactivity order, now see everywhere RCO is common and X is different, in this X is chloride, bromide, iodide, and this X is RCOO negative, and then this X is RO negative, and this is NH2 negative, and this is OH negative. Now we know one thing very clear, रटने की जरूरत नहीं है, नो रट्टाफिकेशन। लकी शिवा आज क्लास ली, आज इंपॉर्टेंट है, आई डोंट वांट टू वेस्ट टाइम। बाबा HSP आप बच्चों का ध्यान रखता है, व्यूज के लिए ज्यादा क्लासेस नहीं लेता हूं, रिवीजन का टाइम दिया था, आज क्लास ले रहा हूं, ध्यान से पढ़ो, इसको रटने की जरूरत नहीं है। weaker bases are good leaving groups, we know one point, we know very well one point, what is that kids? Weaker bases are good leaving groups, am I right? Good leaving group, and stronger acids form weaker conjugate base, weaker conjugate base. Now if I convert into acid, it will form HX, very very strong acid, it will form RCOOH, it will form alcohol, it will form ammonia, and that will form water. Now if you know the acidic strength order in this way, so stronger acid will form weaker conjugate base, and weaker bases are good leaving groups. So this is the reactivity order. If it is clear, if it is clear, I would like to see green signal in the chat section that this holds a very very high importance, kids. It holds a hell lot of weightage. Now you see they have given now important reactions and all they have given. Now sample NEET question. Here is question number 1 on your screen. Can you see? This question is visible to all of you. Here is the question. Now, everyone, tell me the answer of this question. Everyone. A. Shanti Moy Mandal is going for A. Which of the following is most reactive towards? So definitely this A is absolutely correct. Right now we have seen, and that's why whenever they are using Friedel-Crafts acylation, they were using RCOCl, and this is the reason why during Friedel-Crafts reaction they were using like this. Now, gets, this is the reactivity order. You have seen another question on your screen. This is another question. Just see to it. Everyone see to it. Product of hydrolysis of methyl acetate in presence of NaOH. What's your answer? Everyone, Baba is waiting for your answer. Quick, kids, quick, fast. मेरे प्यारे बच्चा लोग, ये नीट से पहले नीट एग्जाम का एक दृश्य है, इसको ध्यान से करिए, आपको पता लगेगा आप कहां पे स्टैंड कर रहे हो. हेलो एवरीवन, quickly give me the answer. B. Bhuvneshwar Nath is going for B. Let's see. Hydrolysis of methyl acetate. Methyl acetate is CH3, C double bond O, O CH3, and its hydrolysis, if you react it with HOH, this is del plus, this is negative. Now you see, everyone just see to it. If I say this is carbonyl group, and it is reacting with OH, OH negative, so it will produce what? It will produce acetic acid, CH3, C double bond O, OH, and that will produce CH3, OH, methyl alcohol. Now, NaOH is there, it is an acid. So, acid will react with the base NaOH to form CH3, COONA, sodium acetate. So, sodium acetate methane alcohol. B is the correct answer. Everyone, fantastic. You have given B as the answer. So, winner, badhai ho, B is the correct answer. Year-wise question analysis 2017 to 2024. High yield points for NEET. Now, remember that. Let's common mistakes and solution, wrong mechanism and all this you can watch later on. Now, let's go with another chapter. So, high weighted chapter is amines. Now, Baba is going with amines. You see, this is Ministry of Education. Topic distribution is given over there. You can see everyone. Is it visible? Now, see, difficulty level is given over there. Medium of questions is given there. Hard question and whatever. Classification, structure, NEET pattern analysis. Everything is given over there. Now, let's deal with the question. Sample NEET question. Here is the question. Now, see to it, everyone. And do let me know. What's the answer? Yeah, then alcohol, phenol, and ether. Shanti Mandal, yes. Now, what's the answer? Quick. It's very simple. Its answer will be, Bachcha log, what are you doing? Bhuvneshwar Nath, thank you, B. It's very simple question. This is 2-degree amines, so no need to waste the time. It's very simple question. Now, another question. Just see this question. IUPAC name of this compound. Fast. बहुत जल्दी से आंसर दो, जल्दी. It's very simple question, everyone. Quick. आसान क्वेश्चन में वक्त नहीं लगाना है. Fast, kids, fast. किड्स आंसर जल्दी नहीं आ रहा है। फास्ट किड्स, फास्ट, बी फास्ट kids, you are taking too much time. Its answer will be CH3, CH, NH2 and CH3. So 2-aminopropane, B should be the correct answer. No, Bhuvneshwar Nath and Shanti 1111, B should be the answer. B is the answer. D, answer D. Oh, both are the correct answer. This is very confusing, kids. This is also correct and this is also correct. Both of them are correct. So it will go as a bonus one. Bonus one. Both are correct. 2-aminopropane and propanamine. Both are correct answer. Both of them are being correct answer. Now here is another question. You see to it, everyone. Just see and do let me know. Arrange the following in decreasing order of basicity. So better word should be basic strength. If they would have given basic strength ऐसे देते तो ज़्यादा अच्छा होता. Basicity here means basic strength. Quick. Fast, kids, fast. Do let me know. Quick. Options. Let me give you the options also. Let me show you the options also because they were hidden. These are the options. मीडियम, ये शांति मोय मंडल मीडियम पूछा है, याद रखिएगा सब लोग. मीडियम इज नॉट मेंशन्ड. वंस द मीडियम इज नॉट मेंशन्ड, that means which medium will you take? Remember that aqueous. If medium is not mentioned, always take aqueous medium. Shanti Moy Mandal, very important point. Now arrange the following in decreasing order. Now you see its lone pair is doing resonance with benzene. Can you see its lone pair is doing resonance with benzene, so it is delocalized. आवारा लोन पेयर है, मूविंग, लोफिंग, मूविंग, मूव कर रहा है, इजिली अटैक नहीं होगा. लास्ट वन शुड बी एट द लास्ट, सो दिस कांट बी द आंसर. नाउ आपको इसके बारे में पता है 213 अमोनिया, 2 डिग्री, 1 डिग्री, देन 3 डिग्री, देन अमोनिया. आफ्टर दिस ammonia, fourth will be there. After 1, fourth will be there. So this can't be the answer. And 2 degree amine is 2. We'll start with 2. A should be the correct answer. A will be the correct answer. Let's see. A is the correct answer, kids. A answer is A. Very good. A is the correct answer. Now another question on your screen. Just see to it. प्यारे प्यारे बच्चा लोग, ये क्वेश्चन आपकी स्क्रीन पे है और देखना ये कि कितने लोग इस क्वेश्चन को कर पाएंगे. आज पूरी केमिस्ट्री में कितने नंबर पा रहे हो, इस बात का ध्यान रखना आप सभी लोग. भुवनेश्वर नाथ मीडियम नहीं दिया. आप किसी के घर जाओगे और आपने कुछ नहीं कहा तो वो क्या लेकर आएगा? पानी लेकर आएगा. व्हेनेवर मीडियम इज नॉट गिवन, टेक इट एक्वस. भुवनेश्वर नाथ, अगर मीडियम नहीं दिया है तो पानी लोगे, पानी. Which of the following is the strongest base? Answer is coming benzylamine. Very good. Benzylamine is the correct answer. क्यों? क्योंकि इसका लोन पेयर लोकलाइज्ड है, ये सबसे जुदा है, सबसे हटकर है, और इन सब में एनालीन है. एंड इन सब का लोन पेयर डीलोकलाइज्ड है बच्चा लोग, डीलोकलाइज्ड है। रिमेंबर दैट। एग्जाम में क्या होगा, एग्जाम में मैक्सिमम स्टूडेंट्स क्या सोचेंगे, वो सोचेंगे इनके बारे में, वो सोचेंगे इनके बारे में, एंड दे विल गेट ट्रैप्ड। This is odd man out. Its lone pair is localized. So remember that this is frequently trapping question. ज्यादातर जगह पे वो ट्रैप करते हैं इस क्वेश्चन में, एंड यही प्यारा क्वेश्चन है, प्यारा प्यारा, बहुत लवली क्वेश्चन, लवली क्वेश्चन, लवली क्वेश्चन, तनिक अनजाने प्यारा क्वेश्चन, प्यारा प्यारा क्वेश्चन है। लोग फंस जाएंगे इनमें कि पैरानाइट्रो, उनका दिल की धड़कन, उनके दिल में जो कशिश होती है, जहां वो रोते रहते हैं कि हाय बच्चा, प्लस एम माइनस एम प्लस आई माइनस आई, भैया मैं तो बहुत परेशान रहता था, मुझसे नहीं होता था। यही खो जाओगे एग्जाम में, एग्जाम में खो जाओगे इनमें और खो बैठोगे और आपका टाइम बर्बाद हो जाएगा। You will take 10 to 15 minutes in this question, and then also you will pick out wrong answer, wrong option. Remember that प्यारा बच्चा, remember that। बहुत ही प्यारा क्वेश्चन है। आंसर डी, बेंजाइलामीन। प्रिपरेशन मेथड सी। Now here is reducing enol, Gabriel thalamide, and number of things are given. Hoffman bromamide. So Hoffman bromamide, very very important kids, very very important. Happy birthday degradation reaction, its mechanism, all the intermediates, each and everything holds a hell lot of weightage, बहुत important है। और ये देखिए आपके सामने आ रहा है दूसरा क्वेश्चन। भाइयों और बहनों, देवियों और सज्जनों, आपके सामने स्क्रीन पर एक नया क्वेश्चन आ रहा है। आर यू रेडी फॉर इट? सो हियर इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन, वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स। मैंने बोला था मैं हिंदी में भी बताऊंगा और इंग्लिश में भी। अरे भाई मान जा, छोटा हो जाए भाई, मान नहीं रहा, मान गया मान गया मान गया। हे आस्क अ डाउट, डुम 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 डुम, क्या करता है रोबोट? Now here is another question, just see to it and try to answer it. Which method is best for preparation of pure primary amine from alkyl halide? Pure primary amine from alkyl halide. Let's see. Salvi Singh is going for C, Hoffman degradation। मेरे प्यारे बच्चा लोग, देखना है इस क्वेश्चन में कौन पास होगा। भुवनेश्वर नाथ, शांति मोय मंडल, एवरीवन, ये क्वेश्चन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन। यहां पे सब लोग फेल होंगे, 99%, 99% स्टूडेंट्स will get failed, फेल होंगे, फेल इस क्वेश्चन में 99%, 99% बच्चा लोग फेल होंगे। आंसर इज गैब्रियल थैलेमाइड सिंथेसिस, क्योंकि इसमें थैलिक एसिड रीगेन हो जाती है, स्टार्टिंग मटेरियल रीगेन हो जाता है। इट इज गिवन ऑन पेज नंबर 287 और 387। सो द आंसर विल बी बी। बी इज द करेक्ट आंसर। बच्चा लोग कितने लोग फेल हुए जल्दी से बताओ। इस क्वेश्चन में, ये एनसीईआरटी का क्वेश्चन है, कितने लोग फेल हुए? जो लोग फेल हुए फायर सिंबल शो करें, और जो लोग पास हुए ग्रीन हार्ट शो करें। बेटा बहुत लोग फेल हुए इस क्वेश्चन में। बाबा 2 डिग्री के बाद 1 डिग्री होना चाहिए। चलो मैं बताता हूं, शांतिमय मंडल, तुम बहुत जगह गड़बड़ कर रहे हो। देखो, अगर R मिथाइल है, इफ R इज मिथाइल, तो 2 डिग्री 1 degree, 3 degree ammonia. If R is ethyl, R अगर ethyl है, methyl means CH3, ethyl means CH2, CH3, तो ये होगा 2 डिग्री, देन 3 डिग्री, देन 1 डिग्री, देन अमोनिया। अब देखने की बात ये है कि सिर्फ डिफरेंस कहां पे आ रहा है, यहां पे 13 नंबर है 13 और यहां पे 31 है, ये एक्सपेरिमेंटली डिटरमाइंड है, रिमेंबर दैट दिस इज बीइंग एक्सपेरिमेंटली डिटरमाइंड। आपको याद रखना है, आपको क्या करना है, याद रखना है, मुझे तो रटना है, रट लो इसको बच्चा, प्यारे प्यारे बच्चा लो, एक्सपेरिमेंटली डिटरमाइंड है, तो याद कैसे करोगे इसको, स्मॉल नंबर, स्मॉल स्मॉल मिथाइल, स्मॉल के लिए 13 इज स्मॉल नंबर, दिस इज बिग, और बिग के लिए बिग नंबर। नाउ इज इट क्लियर, दिस इज एन एक्वस मीडियम। If it would have been in gaseous medium, basic strength 3 degree, then 2 degree, then 1 degree होता gaseous state में। कौन सा क्वेश्चन बेटा, शांति मोय मंडल, कौन सा क्वेश्चन है, एनसीईआरटी नॉट मेंशन्ड। अच्छा, आप कौन से क्वेश्चन की बात कर रहे हो, 1 डिग्री अमीन और बेसिक स्ट्रेंथ, भुवनेश्वर नाथ, एंड शांति मोय मंडल, आप किस क्वेश्चन की बात कर रहे हो, मुझे बताओ किस क्वेश्चन की, व्हाट विच क्वेश्चन यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट, जल्दी से बताओ, जल्दी से बताओ कौन से क्वेश्चन की बात कर रहे हो, यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट विच क्वेश्चन, क्विक क्विक। अरे मैं आपका कमेंट देख रहा हूं, आप एक बार चेक करो कौन सा क्वेश्चन, पहले 1 डिग्री अमीन वाला, 3 4 क्वेश्चन, 3 4 थर्ड फोर्थ गैब्रियल रिएक्शन की, बेटा गैब्रियल एलिफेटिक अमीन बनाने का सबसे बेहतरीन तरीका है, याद रखना, आंसर सही दिया है, गैब्रियल रिएक्शन का आंसर सही दिया है, याद रखो यही होगा, बिल्कुल सही दिया है बेटा, ये वाला 100% सही दिया हुआ है, गैब्रियल होगा, गैब्रियल, याद रखना, एरोमेटिक नहीं, गैब्रियल में एरोमेटिक 1 डिग्री अमीन नहीं बनता, बट एलिफेटिक प्राइमरी अमीन की बात की उसने, प्योर प्राइमरी अमीन एंड एलिफेटिक, सी alkyl halide, from alkyl halide, that means they are talking about एलिफेटिक, बिल्कुल सही दिया हुआ है, यही आंसर होगा, गलत नहीं है, हॉफमैन ब्रोमामाइड इज फॉर बोथ एलिफेटिक एंड एरोमेटिक, बट yield is not good, but yield is not good। बिल्कुल सही दिया हुआ है, और अगर एनसीईआरटी में नहीं दिया है इसका आंसर, तो एलजी वार्डे क्लेडन देखो वहां दिया हुआ है, याद रखना, इफ इट इज नॉट गिवन इन एनसीईआरटी देन यू कैन सी फॉरेन राइटर बुक, बट आंसर इज एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट, यही होगा, बिल्कुल सही आंसर है। इज इट क्लियर, बेसिसिटी वाला, ओके आता हूं बेसिसिटी वाले में, पहले ये क्लियर हो गया, इज इट क्लियर बच्चा लोग, ये क्लियर हो गया। नाउ बेसिक स्ट्रेंथ, कहां दिया है बेसिक स्ट्रेंथ वाला क्वेश्चन, स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट बेस ये वाला, दिस वन, दिस वन, ये तो सही था। ये वाला आई थिंक, दिस वन। ओके, नाउ सी दिस क्वेश्चन, आई थिंक यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस क्वेश्चन। शांतिमय मंडल, आप इस क्वेश्चन की बात कर रहे हो? इस क्वेश्चन की बात कर रहे हो आई थिंक। भाई भुवनेश्वर नाथ एंड एवरीवन रिमेंबर दैट, जब मीडियम नहीं दिया हुआ है, फर्स्ट थिंग, इफ मीडियम इज नॉट मेंशन्ड, take it as aqueous always. पहली चीज क्लियर भुवनेश्वर नाथ, ये बात क्लियर, इज दिस पॉइंट क्लियर भुवनेश्वर नाथ एंड शांति मंडल, इज इट क्लियर कि इफ मीडियम इज नॉट मेंशन टेक इट एक्वस ऑलवेज? से यस, first of all everyone say yes, if medium is not mentioned always take it aqueous, just like KMnO4 as an oxidizing agent, if medium is not mentioned take it acidic, there, here take it aqueous. अब आइए इस क्वेश्चन की बात करते हैं। इसको तो हटा दो बिकॉज इसका लोन पेयर इज डूइंग रेजोनेंस, इट इज लीस्ट बेसिक। और ये याद रखना बेसिसिटी, हियर बेसिसिटी मीन्स बेसिक स्ट्रेंथ, रिमेंबर दैट, बिकॉज ये क्वेश्चन एक बार आईआईटी में पूछा गया है। बेसिसिटी, बेस की बेसिसिटी मीन्स बेसिक स्ट्रेंथ, अदरवाइज basicity is for acids, but here basicity means basic strength, remember that. Now aniline is least basic, least basic हटा दो इसको, least basic, that means first one should be at the last, ये तो गलत हो गया, इन तीनों में से आंसर है। Now this is 2 degree amine, this one is 2 degree, this one is 3 degree, and this one is ammonia. Now when methyl, R is methyl, when R is methyl, अभी मैंने आपको बताया क्या, 2 degree, then 1 degree, then 3 degree, and then ammonia in aqueous solution. This is aqueous. अगर ये gaseous होता, if it would have been gaseous, gas phase में क्या होता, 3 degree, then 2 degree, then 1 degree, then ammonia, ये ऑर्डर होता गैस में, बट ये हमको जरूरत नहीं है, हमको बिकॉज मीडियम इज नॉट मेंशन टेक इट एक्वस, सो 2 degree, 2 degree will be at the first position, 2 degree means second, 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 second. Now here is also second and here is also second, so this can't be the answer. Now after 2 degree it should be 1 degree, 2 degree, then 1 degree, 1 degree is not given, then 3 degree, after 2 there should be 3, 2 के बाद 3 होना चाहिए और यहाँ 4 दिया हुआ है, it is correct, this is also wrong, A is the absolutely correct answer. अरे भाई तुम लोग कहां से पढ़े हो भाई, you see 213 अमोनिया सही आंसर तो दिया हुआ है, क्या कर रहे हो तुम लोग भाई, क्लियर हुआ कि नहीं भाई? तुम लोग गड़बड़ पड़े हुए हो, जहां से भी पड़े हुए हो, जो मैं बता रहा हूं उसको ध्यान रखो, जो भी मैं बता रहा हूं। शांति मोय मंडल, आपकी ऑर्गेनिक बहुत अच्छी, बट हियर यू आर डूइंग, पता नहीं क्या किया तुमने। इथाइल के केस में, इथाइल के केस में व्हेन आर इज इथाइल, इफ R is ethyl, तो क्या होता, 2 degree, then 3 degree, then 1 degree, then ammonia. It should be like this. क्लियर हुआ बेटा? पहले देख लो, क्लियर हो गया। शालवी सिंह तो मेरे से पड़ी हुई है, शालवी सिंह को क्लियर, तुम बताओ भुवनेश्वर नाथ एंड शांति मोय मंडल क्लियर हुआ कि नहीं? 11 11 11 को भी क्लियर हो गया होगा बच्चा लोग। दो लोगों ने गड़बड़ की। जब आप ठीक से नहीं जानते हो गड़बड़ करते हो। Bhuvneshwar Nath and Shanti Mandal, is it clear or not? Because you are very good students, both of you. 11, is it clear? बच्चा, मेरे प्यारे प्यारे बच्चा लोग मुझे बताओ सबको क्लियर हुआ कि नहीं? भुवनेश्वर नाथ को क्लियर हो गया। नाउ शांति मंडल, इज इट क्लियर और नॉट? क्योंकि तुम्हारी डाउट्स को हटाना बहुत जरूरी है। कितने लोगों को पहली बार ये बात पता लगी? ये पेज पे जो कुछ भी लिखा हुआ है पहली बार कितने लोगों को पता लगा? कितने लोगों को आज पहली बार पता लगा? धनिया की पत्ती भेज रहे हो, वेरी गुड। कितने लोगों को पहली बार ये बात पता लगी है? नहीं तो तुम्हारा एग्जाम गलत हो जाता। तुम्हारे एग्जाम में तुम मार्क्स खो बैठते। प्यारे बच्चा लोग, पढ़ना और सही पढ़ने में बहुत डिफरेंस है, बहुत। कितने लोगों को आज पहली बार? वेरी गुड। नाउ लेट्स सी अनदर क्वेश्चन। प्यारे प्यारे बच्चा लोग, आइए सभी लोग बढ़ते हैं आगे। नाउ दिस तो वी हैव डन। Happy birthday reaction, all these Hoffman bromamide degradation. Now here is question. This we have done already, we have done. Now we are going toward this question. Very very good question on your screen. Just see to it. Just see to it. Everyone just see to it. What's the answer? अरे सॉरी नहीं बोलना है बेटा, पहली बात सुनो मेरी बात। सॉरी नहीं बोलना है, पहले सॉरी नहीं बोलोगे। पूछो क्यों सॉरी नहीं? आप बच्चा लोग हो, आप बहुत अच्छे स्टूडेंट्स हो, सीखो। एक बात पता लग गई कि आपको जब बहुत कुछ आता है और उसमें जब ऐसी चीज आती तो धक्का लगता है। when you know too much. But A, Hoffman bromamide degradation of propanamide. This is your propanamide, just see to it. CH3, CH2, CO, NH2. Now in happy birthday reaction, what are you supposed to do? Just remove CO. One carbon will get removed out and your answer will be CH3, CH2, NH2. Descent of series, one carbon less, ethylamine is the correct answer. So A is the correct answer. Congratulations. Congrats, kids. A is the correct answer. A is the correct answer. Diazonium salt reactions. You can see the distribution of marks given over there. Critical concepts given over there. Sandemeyer coupling reaction and diazonium salt. Diazonium salt, very very important. This data is given. Now replacement is given, all the reactions are given. So here is the question, just see to it. Just focus on this question. Product formed when benzene diazonium chloride reacts with CuBr. Answer is very clear. This reaction's name is, definitely its name is Sandemeyer reaction. You know, you should know. आपको पता होना चाहिए मेरे प्यारे बच्चा लोग. The answer is very easy. A, very good. So bromobenzene is the answer. Very simple question. Very simple question. Everyone must have solved it. A is the correct answer. Now another question on your screen. Another question. Which reaction is used to prepare phenol from aniline? Wow, such a great question. Just see to it, everyone. Phenol from aniline. And give me the answer, kids. Fast, fast. Quick, quick, quick. Speedily do let me know what should be the answer. Hey, hey. Everyone. Shalvi Singh is going for D. D. Bhuvneshwar Nath is also going for D. Phenol from aniline. Aniline से phenol बनाना है. Aniline. से फिनॉल पे जाना है, डाइजोटाइजेशन करा लो, बेंजीन डाइजोनियम क्लोराइड बना लो, खोलते हुए पानी से रिएक्शन कराएंगे. D is the correct answer. Congratulations. D is the correct answer. बधाई बधाई, लख लख बधाइयां. Distinguishing test. Distinguishing test. All these things are very, very important. So here is the question. Just see to it, everyone. Which amine gives soluble product in alkali after Hinsberg? Very, very important question. Fun to question. Very, very important, kids. Very, very important. Very, very important. NCRT line. This is from NCRT. Yeah, Sahana, sorry. It was by chance they have scheduled for the night. I'm very, very extremely sorry, Sahana. So it's not your mistake. It's not your mistake. You are right, Sahana. You are right. They have earlier they have scheduled by chance. That was the error. So now everyone, Baba, best chemistry teacher. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Steve. Thank you. Now see everyone. What is the correct answer? Some are saying C, some are saying D. Bhuvneshwar Nath is going for D. Shantimoy Mandal is going for C. Sahana, what's your answer? Salvi Singh is also going for D. Let's see. Which amine gives soluble product and alkali? 1 degree amine. Because if I talk about 1 degree amine, 1 degree amine reacts with, because 1 degree amine is having 2 hydrogens. One hydrogen will react with Hinsberg reagent. This will react with Hinsberg reagent, Hinsberg reagent, and this will be reacting with alkali, NaOH. So it is having 2 hydrogens, one for reacting with Hinsberg and another one reacting with alkali. So kids, thank you, Bhuvneshwar. So it should be 1 degree amine, and which one is 1 degree amine? N-methylaniline is like this. It is 2 degree amine. N-methylaniline is 2 degree amine. So this is not the answer. Aniline is 1 degree amine. Aniline is 1 degree amine. So definitely it will be the answer. Trimethylamine, 3 degree. It is 2 degree. Can't be the answer. Dimethylamine. Dimethylamine 2 degree. So only C will be the correct answer. Now how many of you got failed? Salvi Singh, your answer is wrong, I think. Huh? So it will be C. C is the correct answer. Let's see. C is the correct answer. Now, common error and number of things are given. So this is completed. Now let's go with alcohol, phenol and ether. Alcohol, phenol and ether chapter, right? Ready? Yeah, everyone shocked. Shanti Moe is rocking. Now, are you ready for this? NEET, alcohol, phenol and ethers, PYQ 2009 to 2024 chapter overview. Are you ready? If you are ready, then show me green signal. धनिया की पत्ती दिखाएं, green hearts दिखाएं, green, go green. नहीं, अभी नहीं एनसीईआरटी खोलूंगा, क्वेश्चंस करेंगे. भुवनेश्वर नाथ, आई हैव एनसीईआरटी मेरे दिमाग में है. उसका आंसर डी होगा. किसका किसका आंसर डी होगा? भुवनेश्वर नाथ, किस क्वेश्चन का? किस क्वेश्चन का डी होगा? अच्छा, पिछला क्वेश्चन. पिछला क्वेश्चन बेटा, जो आंसर दिया है मैंने वही होगा. क्या क्वेश्चन था? क्वेश्चन क्या था? अच्छा, पिछला क्वेश्चन जिसका हम सी आंसर निकाले थे डी, क्या क्वेश्चन था जरा बताओ मुझे, व्हाट वाज द क्वेश्चन? बेंजीन डाइजोनियम क्लोराइड था कुछ। अच्छा, ओके। अरे भैया, 1 डिग्री अमीन, 1 डिग्री अमीन चाहे कोई भी हो, 1 डिग्री अमीन देता है एल्कली के साथ। पहले बेंजीन, अरे भाई क्या कर रहे हो, 1 डिग्री अमीन ही एल्कली में सॉल्युबल होता है, एनालीन आंसर होगा। भाई क्या कर रहे हो तुम लोग? भाई सबको समझ में आ गया? एनालीन इज 1 डिग्री अमीन, वेदर इट इज एलिफेटिक और इट इज एरोमेटिक, 1 डिग्री अमीन will react with benzene sulfonyl chloride and then it is soluble in alkali. 2 डिग्री अमीन alkali में soluble नहीं होगा। 3 डिग्री अमीन तो बेंजीन सल्फोनिल क्लोराइड से भी रिएक्ट नहीं करेगा। इज इट क्लियर किड्स? बाकी लोगों को क्लियर है कि नहीं मुझे बताओ, रेस्ट ऑफ अदर्स को क्लियर है कि नहीं है? हाँ तो सही लिखा है भुवनेश्वर नाथ, वो एन एल्काइल बेंजीन वो पहले रिएक्ट कर चुका है बेंजीन सल्फोनिल क्लोराइड से। अरे भाई भुवनेश्वर नाथ, पहले RNH2 होगा, वो बेंजीन सल्फोनेट क्लोराइड से रिएक्ट किया होगा, तभी तो एन एल्काइल और एल्राइल, एन एल्काइल और एराइल बेंजीन सल्फोनामाइड, बिकॉज इट इज हैविंग 1 एसिडिक हाइड्रोजन देन इट इज सॉल्युबल। तो सही दिया है। बेटा मैं लिख के बताऊं या डन? शांति मंडल, इज इट क्लियर? एवरीवन, इज इट क्लियर और शुड आई राइट आउट? मैं पूरा हिंसवर्ग रीजन टेस्ट लिखूं या क्लियर है? मुझे बताओ जल्दी से, क्लियर या लिखूं? जल्दी बताओ शांति मंडल, क्लियर हो गया या मैं लिख के बताऊं हिंसवर्ग टेस्ट? डन, वेरी गुड। भुवनेश्वर नाथ, ध्यान से पढ़ना है एनसीईआरटी, राइट? एक बार एक्सप्लेन। ओके, सी RNH2 बेंजीन सल्फोनिल क्लोराइड HCl RNH SO2. Now this is N alkyl or aryl benzene sulfonamide, benzene sulfonamide. Now this is having acidic hydrogen, it's having acidic hydrogen, so it will be soluble in alkali. So this is 1 डिग्री अमीन, 1 डिग्री अमीन होगा तभी रिएक्ट करेगा। नाउ भुवनेश्वर नाथ, इज इट क्लियर? भुवनेश्वर नाथ, इज इट क्लियर? नाउ everyone see to it. This is the first question. Now see to it, everyone. Which of the following is a tertiary alcohol? Very simple question. Means it's a question combo of IUPAC. I would like to say it's combo of IUPAC also. Now, who is going to give the correct answer? Let's see, kids. Fast. Everyone, be fast. What's the correct answer? Quick, quick. B. People are going for B. Let's see, butane 2-ol. This is primary alcohol. 2-methyl 2-propanol. 1, 2, 3. 2-methyl means 1, 2, 3. 2-methyl 2-propanol. This is 3-degree alcohol, that is tertiary butyl alcohol. This is the correct answer, right? B is the correct answer. Fantastic. B is the correct answer. Now another question on your screen. Just see to it. Everyone, just see to it. Which compound is more acidic than phenol? Very, very good question. Fantastic question. Quick. B. People are going for B. 5 para-nitrophenol. Very good. Correct answer, I think. Para-nitrophenol, what it is going to do? This is del plus, del negative, NO2. NO2 is minus M, minus R. So plus, plus, plus. Charge will get decreased. Charge will get decreased. So the conjugate base stability will increase. And this is highly acidic. This is highly acidic. So B is the correct answer. B is the correct answer, kids. Let's see. B, yeah. Now another question. Let's see rest of the things. Conditions are given. Reactivity order is given. The theory part is given, and the mechanism is also given. Markovnikov, anti-Markovnikov of hydrocarbon is given. So conditions are given, limitations are given. Simple neat question. So R prime function is to deal with the question, kids. Here is the question. Which method is best for preparing 2-methoxypropane? What's your answer? Quick. Quick, quick, quick. Kids, fast. Which method is best for preparing 2-methoxypropane? Bachcha log, speedily do let me know. A. Bhuvneshwar is going for A. Rest of other students. Santi Moimandal is going for A. 2-methoxypropane. CH3. CH. OH. CH3. Now, paint 2-methoxy. Williamson synthesis. No, it's not ether. Can't be the answer. Dehydration of ethyl alcohol. No, it can't be the answer. Acid catalyzed hydration. So C is what answer you have given? You have given A. Oh, 2-methoxy. Sorry, I have written wrong. Baba has written wrong. Sorry. IUPAC have written wrong. I'm extremely sorry. 2-methoxypropane. 2-methoxypropane. So let me remove these also. So dehydration can't be the answer. It is ether. Can't be the answer. Can't be the answer. A is correct. So we can take any 2-degree alkyl halide like that and we can prepare. So the best method is we can take CH3 Cl and we can react it with CH3 CHONA and CH3. This is Williamson synthesis of preparation of ether. Very good. Kids, A is the correct answer. You are right. A is the correct answer. Now another question on your screen. Just see, this is another question. Do let me know what should be the answer of this question. अरे थैंक यू भुवनेश्वर नाथ, पानी पी लेता हूं, तुम्हारी बात मानता हूं. थैंक यू भुवनेश्वर नाथ, थैंक यू. नाउ क्विक क्विक किड्स, क्विक. पी ले रहा हूं भाई भुवनेश्वर नाथ, पी रहा हूं, पानी पी रहा हूं. थैंक यू, थैंक यू. क्विक किड्स, क्विक. C. People are going with C. Let me check it out. Propene and dilute H2SO4. This is your propene. Hydration in presence of water, acidic medium. So this will be the major product, CH3, CHOH, CH3. So propane 2-ol, major product will be propane 2-ol. B should be the correct answer. I think B should be the correct answer. What's the answer is coming out? B. Very good. B is the correct answer. Simple question. B is the correct answer. Now chemical reactions, the difficulty level and each and everything is given. Now phenol reactions, very important. Sulfonation, ether reaction, Williamson synthesis, the reactivity order. Now sample NEET question. Here is the question, just see to it, based on Lucas reagent. Very good question. So what's the correct answer? Quickly tell me what is the correct answer. Fast. What's the correct answer, kids? Fast. C. 11 is going for C. And one more kid, Steve is going for C. Bhuvneshwar Nath, that is wrong answer. Propanol will be the correct answer. That takes place, that is the dehydration with H2SO4. Now see, which alcohol will give immediate turbidity? That answer will be 3-degree alcohol. 3-degree alcohol will be the correct answer. Now which is 3-degree? This is not the answer. 2-propanol. This can't be the answer. It is 2-degree. It is 1-degree. It is 2-degree. 2-methyl 2-propanol. 1, 2, 3. 2-methyl 2-propanol. This is tertiary butyl alcohol. This is your tertiary butyl alcohol, and this is the correct answer. So absolutely your answer is correct. C is the correct answer, and this is 1-degree alcohol. This can't be the answer. So C is the correct answer. Absolutely correct. Your answer C. C is given. C is the correct answer. Now another question on your screen. Just see to it. Everyone see to it. Product when phenol reacts with bromine water. Very good question. And frequently asked question will come in your exam. Definitely this question will be asked. ये question आपके पेपर में आएगा बच्चा लोग. What's the answer? ये क्वेश्चन 100% आएगा. जल्दी ये क्वेश्चन 100% आपके एग्जाम में आएगा. बच्चा, प्यारा बच्चा, जल्दी से बताओ. ये क्वेश्चन 100% आपके एग्जाम में पूछा जाएगा. सी, salvicing, tribromophenol. Very good. White PPT, remember that it's the white precipitate of 246 tribromophenol. 246 tribromophenol. So C is the correct answer. Absolutely correct. C will be the correct answer. Very good. White PPT of 246 tribromophenol. Another question on your screen. Quick, kids, quick. This question. Which reagent will convert 2-butanol to 2-butane-2-on? Butane-2-on means 2-butanol. Quick. Which reagent will convert 2-butanol? Speedily. Tell me what should be the answer, kids. Let's see who is going to give the answer quickly. कौन पहले आंसर देता है वही राजा बनेगा, वही इंटेलिजेंट होगा. बाबा इज वेटिंग फॉर योर आंसर, किड्स. हे एवरीवन, कौन बनेगा करोड़पति? जल्दी से खेलें. कौन बताएगा? आदित्य सिंह इज गोइंग फॉर सी. भुवनेश्वर नाथ इज गोइंग फॉर सी. Aha, others, do let me know what's your answer. Fast. Kids, quick. A, Shanti Moy Mandal is going for A. and A is the correct answer. C, butane 2-ol is CH3, CHOH, CH2, CH3, and it is undergoing butanon, means oxidation हो रहा है. It is undergoing oxidation. It is undergoing oxidation. तो ऑक्सीडेशन करने के लिए ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट चाहिए. दीज आर रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट्स. दे कांट बी द आंसर. ये रिडक्शन करते हैं और ये तो क्लेमेंसेंस रिडक्शन करता है. इट इज गोइंग टू डू क्लेमेंसेंस रिडक्शन. It will do Clemenson, so they can't be the answer. They can't be the answer. Only one is the answer. Bhuvneshwar Nath, wrong answer. You got Shanti Moy Mandal got the correct answer. Aditya Singh also, you also got the wrong answer. Kids, clear? So A will be the correct answer. Only Shanti Moy Mandal passed it. A is the correct answer. You can see A is the correct answer. Can you see? Distinguishing test. A very, very important distinguishing. Iodoform test will definitely come in your examination. Tollens test, all these tests, they are very, very important. Now, this we have done. Yeah, NEET question. Sample NEET question is over here. Just see to it. Everyone just see to it. Which compound gives positive Phalenx test? This already we have done. This already we have done. Benzaldehyde, already done. So, let's go back to another questions. Let's go back. Already we have done this question, right? So alcohol, phenol, ether we have done, aldehyde, ketones we have done, amines we have done. Now what do you want? Biomolecules or anything else you want? Let's go with qualitative analysis. This is very, very important. Qualitative analysis, that is chemistry, practical chemistry. Very, very important, kids. I think ये अगर आपने कर डाला तो सब कर डाला. हाँ, ये क्वेश्चन अभी हो गया तो हम उसको नहीं करेंगे. ऑलरेडी वी हैव डन. नाउ माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आर यू रेडी फॉर दिस? बायोमोलिक्यूल्स बाद में करेंगे. बायोमोलिक्यूल्स एट द लास्ट. इनऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री भी करेंगे, बट दिस इज इनऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री ओनली. क्वालिटेटिव एनालिसिस वेरी, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर योर एग्जामिनेशन. लेट्स सी क्या आप पास हो पाओगे या फेल हो जाओगे. ये ऐसा चैप्टर है जहां पे 99% पीपल विल गेट फेल्ड. ये ऐसा टॉपिक है जहां पे 99%, 99.99% पीपल विल गेट फेल्ड. फेल होने वाले हैं. चैलेंज स्वीकार है तो बोलो. शुड वी डील विद दिस? बिकॉज 90 फिजिकल भी करेंगे. 99.9% बच्चा लोग फेल होंगे इसमें. आर यू रेडी? चैलेंज एक्सेप्टेड और नॉट? मुझे बताओ, चैलेंज एक्सेप्टेड और नॉट? एवरीवन डू लेट मी नो. स्वीकार है कि नहीं चैलेंज? शो मी ग्रीन सिग्नल इन द चैट सेक्शन अगर आप एक्सेप्ट करते हो चैलेंज. Now let me show you the weightage. Average questions per year, 2 to 3 questions. 2 से 3 क्वेश्चन आने ही आने हैं. And these are in your syllabus. These are in your syllabus. So question number 1, you see here is assertion and reasoning. Which of the following reagent is used to separate? Wow, great question. Which of the following reagent is used to separate group 2 cations from group 3 cations? Answer is ammonium chloride. Leave it. You don't know. You got failed. ये समझ में नहीं आया होगा आपको, छोड़ दो. Answer is given over here. If you want to study, you can study. Now, These are the options given. You can read it out, but let's see questions. You see, let me explain. Which of the following cations give violet color with ammonium thiocyanate? This is given in organic chemistry NCERT also. Organic chemistry also, right? Now, the ion that gives white precipitate with silver nitrate. So, definitely chloride will give white color PPT. If you don't know, then let me tell you, AgCl is a white precipitate, right? Now, which of the following reagent is used to identify carbonate ion? Carbonate ion. So all of these. So you can see all these questions are very, very simple. You can do it yourself because already answer is given, kids. So you see which of the following cations give blue PPT with ammonium hydroxide, blue PPT. So you see CuOH whole twice is light blue PPT, light blue PPT, light blue precipitate. Remember that it's light blue PPT. So this is right. The ion NEET 2022, the ion that gives characteristic flame color of apple green. अब दीपावली में एप्पल ग्रीन कलर किसका मिलता है बताओ? Remember that barium gives apple green, flame test. You can call it flame test. Remember that. You can call it flame test. Strontium gives, calcium gives, this gives crimson red, and this gives brick red test, brick red color. आपको पता होगा दीपावली को अनार फोड़ते हो तो ये कलर उसी के आते हैं. These are the chemicals, right? Now, barium gives apple green. Now, these are the colors. Remember that. These are very, very important for your exam. Now, which of the following anion gives black PPT with silver nitrate? Silver nitrate, black PPT. So, remember that sulfide, AgS. Now, what are black PPTs? Let me tell you. Black, Biku, Pav Bhaji, Aaj है जी, Koni Manjan, cobalt and nickel. All their sulfides are black color PPT. Remember that. Sulfides are black. Their sulfides are black. Note it down. Make a note. These elements, sulfides are black. Take a copy. Take a copy and note. Make a note. Their sulfides are black color. Bismuth, lead, Ag, Hg2+, cobalt 2+, nickel 2+, all their sulfides are black colored. And let me tell you, SNS is brown. SBS2. SB2S3 is orange. And SN4 plus SN4 plus CD2 plus AS3 plus, their sulfides are yellow. Remember that their sulfides are yellow. It will change the game. Make a note of it. Kids, are you there? आप नोट कर रहे हो? क्योंकि ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. And this practical chemistry salt analysis is a game changer. Selection को बर्बाद कर सकती है अगर नहीं आता है. Make a note of it. Kids, are you there? आप नोट कर रहे हो कि नहीं मुझे बताओ जल्दी से in the chat section. सब लोग मुझे जल्दी से बताओ नोट कर रहे हो कि नहीं. Very good. Shall we sing? Very good. बेटा जल्दी से करो. इसमें मैक्सिमम सेकंड ग्रुप के रेडिकल्स हैं. मैक्सिमम सेकंड ग्रुप के रेडिकल्स हैं. और नोट करने के बाद लेट मी नो आगे मूव करूं मैं. Once if you have noted down, do let me know so that I can move ahead, kids. I think everyone must have done it. Fast, kids, fast. Yes, very good. Now, this is very, very important. AgCl is white PPT. Completely soluble in excess of ammonium hydroxide. Remember that. Completely soluble in excess of NH4OH. This is very, very important. Partially soluble. AgBr is partially soluble. Now, this is completely insoluble. Remember that. Now, Ag2S is black. Already I have told you. Already I have told you, kids. It's black. Now, you see, the reagent used to distinguish between carbonate and bicarbonate ion, magnesium sulfate. Remember that. Cram it out. Now, which of the following cations is identified by Prussian blue test? Prussian blue. If you remember that, Fe4, Fe, ferriferrocyanide, Fe4, Fe, CN, whole 6, whole thrice, ferriferrocyanide. Ferriferrocyanide is Prussian blue. Prussian blue. Very, very important. Prussian blue. So, ferrous, oh my God, that answer is wrong. Prussian blue is ferric. So, this is a wrong answer. Correct will be Fe3 plus because Fe2 plus gives turn bull's blue. So, see kids, even government site is giving wrong answer somewhere. Ferrous gives turn bull's blue. Ferric gives Prussian blue. Remember that. So they have given wrong answer. Make a note of it. This answer is wrong. Prussian blue is given by ferric, not by ferrous. Clear? Kids, is it clear? अरे भाई बताओ, clear or not? Yes sir, clear. Prussian blue, test for ferrous. Wrong, wrong. Now here is another question, just see to it. The ion that gives effervescence with dilute HCl. Now, how to get it? Dilute HCl or dilute H2SO4 is a group reagent for can't assure success or can't dance, can't sing a song. Can't sing a song. What does it mean? Can't sing a song. Can't means carbonate. A for acetate. N for nitrite. Thiosulfate. Sulfide. These are used. Now see, carbonate, because nothing else is there, carbonate is the correct answer. Are you getting my point, everyone? I think it's आप लोगों को कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. You are not able to get it because आपका practical chemistry weak है. Your chemistry, practical chemistry is weak, I think. So you are not able to understand. But anyways, remember that this will come in your examination. Which of the following reagent is used to detect chloride ion? There are two tests. One is AgCl, or you bring ammonia. It will give dense white fumes of ammonium chloride or chromyl chloride test. हाँ, मैं PDF provide कर दूंगा, PDF. Now see, AgNO3. How many tests for chloride? Remember that there are three tests. One is if chloride is there, bring a rod dipped in ammonia. You will get dense white fumes of ammonium chloride. Dense white fumes. Those who are listening it for the first time, very, very important. Second, if chloride is there, silver nitrate test, white color PPT of AgCl, and third one is chromyl chloride test. Chromyl chloride test, already I have taught you. Chromyl chloride test, remember that. So AgNO3 is given. So make a note of it. It's very, very important. Now, next. Now, the cation that gives orange-red precipitate with DMG, that is nickel, rose color, red rose color, nickel, very, very important. Make a note of this. NIE, DMG, fold twice, red rose color, it will produce red rose color. Now, let's see another question. Which of the following anion gives violet color with ferric chloride? Violet color with ferric chloride. Remember that phenolate ion. It's organic chemistry question. The reagent used to confirm the presence of ammonium. Right now I have told you ammonium is Nestler's reagent test. Very, very important. Now what it is going to do? See, Nestler's reagent test. Ammonia. Nestler's reagent is K2HgI4. Sodium hydroxide will produce HgOHg, NH2I. This is known as iodide of Millen space. Remember that. iodide of Millen's base. Water, NaI, Ki. So very, very important. Nestler's reagent test, most important test, and its color is violet. Very good. Who has written? Bhuvneshwar Rath. Very good. Violet color. Very good. Bhuvneshwar Rath. Very good. Which of the following cations precipitate as black sulfide? Already I've told you group 2. So C, answer is Cu2 plus. CuS is black PPT. Already I've told you, kids. Told you or not? Cupric sulfide is black. Now, all these are black. Already I've told you. See, kids. Padaya ki nahi padaya? I taught you or not? Right now I've told you. Now, another one. The ion that gives characteristic order of rotten X, that is H2S gas. H2S gas smell is rotten X, sade ande ki badboo. Which of the following reagent is used to distinguish between ferrous and ferric? Ferrous and ferric. Now see, ferrous and ferric. I've taught you right now, abhi padaya maine aapko ferrous and ferric, Prussian blue, and it will not give. Now see, Turnbull's blue. Oh, galat likha hua hai. Now see, ulta likha hua hai. It's given wrong. It should be over here and that should be over there. Galat diya hua hai. This is wrong. The cation that gives green precipitate with ammonium hydroxide, nickel 2 plus, right? Now see the colors they have given. Which of the following anions give brown precipitate with silver nitrate? Brown. Which of the following anion gives brown precipitate with silver nitrate? Wrong. It's light yellow, pale yellow. गलत दिया हुआ है. Light brown नहीं होगा, light yellow. Mistake in this. The reagent used to confirm the presence of phosphate ion, ammonium molybdenate. This is right because it will form canary yellow PPT of ammonium phosphomolybdate. Remember that canary yellow PPT it will form. This is given in practical organic chemistry, class 11th, practical organic chemistry, canary yellow. Canary yellow. Now see, this is yellow PPT. You see given over here, ammonium phosphomolybdate, canary yellow. You see canary yellow. Canary yellow color is canary yellow. You can get it. Now, which of the following cations gives white PPT with sodium hydroxide soluble in X's? Now, very, very important. Very, very important, kids. Why very, very important? All hydroxides other than alkali, all hydroxides other than alkali are insoluble in water, insoluble in excess of NaOH, but there are 4 hydroxides which are soluble in excess of sodium hydroxide, Sn2 plus, Zn2 plus, Al3 plus, Pb2 plus. These are the only 4 hydroxides. They are hydroxides are soluble in excess of NaOH. Their hydroxides are soluble in excess of NaOH, and there are 4 hydroxides in this world which are soluble in excess of ammonium hydroxide. their hydroxides are soluble in excess of ammonium hydroxide. So in this world, there is only one hydroxide which is soluble in excess of both. Which one is that? Zn2 plus is the only hydroxide whose hydroxide is soluble in excess of both sodium hydroxide as well as ammonium hydroxide. This is the only one. Have you got it? This will change your chemistry, will give you marks. जहां पे सब लोग फेल हो जाएंगे, तुम पास हो जाओगे. इसको ध्यान में रखना बच्चा लोग, इस बात को ध्यान में रखना. इट होल्ड्स ए हेल लॉट ऑफ वेटेज. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, हद से ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है बच्चा, हद से ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. नाउ you see given over there, you see given over there. Now question, the ion that gives characteristic order of ammonia, already I have told you ammonium, already taught. Which of the following reagent is used to sulfate ion? Now barium chloride. Why barium chloride? Let me tell you. When barium chloride will react, barium is going to react with sulfate, it will form BaSO4, PPT, white PPT, and this PPT is insoluble in water. Remember that, insoluble. Barium sulfate is insoluble in water. It is being insoluble in water. White PPT, you can see white PPT insoluble in water, and this the cation that gives brown PPT with sodium hydroxide, ferric, because ferric hydroxide is FeOH whole thrice is brown, reddish brown you can say, whereas FeOH whole twice is green. Remember that, it's green. That is being green, this is brown. FeOH whole thrice is reddish brown. This being reddish brown. Remember that. Cu2 plus blue, Zn2 plus is white. Which of the following anion gives effervescence with acid and carbonate? Carbonate, right? Carbon dioxide, which will turn lime water milky, and if it's passed in excess, milkiness will disappear. The reagent used to confer presence of chloride, we everyone know AgNO3 is white color PPT. Which of the following cations gives blue PPT with sodium hydroxide? Repeated, copper hydroxide, which is soluble in excess of copper or zinc, ammonium hydroxide to form CuNH3 whole 4 2 plus. Now this is dark blue solution, dark blue solution, and this dark blue solution, when you react with K4FeCN6, if you react this with K4FeCN6, you will get chocolate brown precipitate, chocolate brown PPT, you will get chocolate brown PPT or solution, you will get chocolate brown PPT or solution, you will get. Very, very important, kids. Very, very important. The ion that gives yellow PPT with, you know that, iodide, AgI. AgI, this is formed during iodoform test also. AgI. AgI, no. During iodoform test, you are getting CHI3. Sorry, CHI3. There you will get CHI3. Which of the following reagent is used to nitrate ion? This simple Browning test, nickel 2 plus, already completed. Done. Now, kids, are you ready for physical chemistry or inorganic chemistry? What do you want to do? Thank you, TSP Gaming. Now, what you want to do let me know. Inorganic chemistry or physical chemistry? What do you want to do, kids? Let me check it out. What's your choice? Inorganic chemistry or physical chemistry? Do let me know, everyone. What do you want to do? Eleven, physical chemistry. Okay, so let's start with physical. Everyone, let's see. Let's start with physical. So see, it's given over here. Let's start with chemical equilibrium and ionic equilibrium, right? Chemical equilibrium and ionic equilibrium. Here is the question. Just try to see the question and try to read it out. For the reaction N2 plus 3 times H2 gives 2 moles of ammonia. At equilibrium, N2 is this much, H2 is this much, ammonia is this much. Calculate Kc value. Calculate Kc. So how to do it, kids? How to do this question? So remember that while doing it, we'll write down the Kc. How to write down the Kc? Ammonia concentration power 2 divided by ratio of N2 concentration active mass and concentration of H2 to the power 3. Am I right, kids? Now the concentration of ammonia is given 0.4. So 0.4 into 0.4 divided by N2 concentration, they have given 0.5. 0.5 into hydrogen concentration to the power 3. 0.8 into 0.8 into 0.8. Am I right, kids? Now only thing, you have to cut it. Solve it means, let's see how to solve it. You see 4, 0.4, 0.8, you can see 0.4, 0.2, 0.4, 0.2. Am I right? This much is clear. Now upper side only 1 is left. Lower side how much is left? 2 2s are 4. 1 upon 0.5 into 0.04. Right? Can I write it like this? 1 upon 5 into 4 into 10 is for minus 3. So 10 to the power 3. Can I write like this? 5 को 20. That means can I write like this? 100 into 10 upon 20, and 25s are, can I write 25s are, 25s are, and 5 10s are 50. So let's see what I will get. Oh, somewhere I have done mistake. I think somewhere I have done a mistake. Where I did a mistake, kids? Where I have done a mistake? कहीं ना कहीं मैंने कुछ गलत किया है. 50 is coming by solving it. Have I done any mistake or I have done it correctly? भाई मैंने कुछ गलती की क्या? 4 चुको 16. 0.5 into 0.11 to 0.16 upon 0.256. 16 upon, according to them, 16 upon 62.5. 16 or 160 upon 256. Okay, point 0.8 not consider. Okay, let me check it out. I have not considered point 0.8. Okay, now you got it. Or should I solve it once again? Should I solve it once again? Let's see. Oh, where it's gone. Got it, everyone got it. There was point 0.8 was left. Okay, I think point 0.8 was left. So that was a mistake. Everyone, next question. pH calculation. Calculate the pH of calculate the pH of 0.01 molar solution of weak acid HA with this 10 raised to power minus 5. Okay, so read it like Ka is equal to 10 raised to power minus 5. Now what to do, kids? Remember that it's a weak acid. So Ostwald dilution law लगाएंगे. Ostwald dilution law that says H plus concentration is equal to sleeping Kasi. Sleeping Kasi is Ka into C. Now K is given 10 raised to power minus 5 and concentration is given 1 into 10 raised to power minus 2. Okay, so what I will get? 10 raised to power minus 7. Now it's very tough to take out the square root of 10 raised to power minus 7. So what I'm going to do? Can I write it like this? 10 into 10 raised to power minus 8. ऐसे लिख सकता हूँ, कोई दिक्कत? No. Now what is the square root of 10? 3 3 is 9. So 3 point something. So can I write 3 into 10 raised to power minus 4 approximately like this? Now I will calculate the pH. pH is equal to minus log of H plus. So 3 into 10 raised to power minus 4. So 4 minus log 3. And we know that log 3 is 0.47. You can consider 4 minus 0.5. So approximately 3.5 will be the answer. So the answer is 3.5. I hope everyone is able to understand, kids. Very good, very good. Bhuvneshwar Nath, very good. Everyone able to solve it, kids? Show me green hearts if you are able to understand. अगर आप सभी लोगों को समझ में आया तो ग्रीन हार्ट्स या ग्रीन लिप्स, धनिया की पत्ती शो कर दो जल्दी से, किड्स. Everyone, quick, kids, quick. Speedily do let me know if it is clear to all of you. You are taking too much time. Clear, very good, clear. Now, another question. Now, here is question. For the equilibrium, twice of SO2 plus O2 gives twice of SO3. This reaction is used in contact process for preparation of sulfuric acid. Now see, very good, Bhuvneshwar. Which change will shift equilibrium to the right? This is exothermic reaction, right? Now, exothermic reaction, low temperature is favorable, and you see, I will say low temperature is favorable, and second thing, pressure, you see this side 2 plus 1, 3 moles, 3 moles of gas, and that side 2 moles. So high pressure will be good. High pressure, low temperature. So see, increased temperature, no. Decreased pressure, no. Add catalyst, no. Increased pressure, D will be the correct answer. No, A. Bhuvneshwar Nath is going for A. Kids, do let me know. Mine is coming D. Agreed or not? Everyone agreed or not? D. Yeah, Shalvi Singh is also going for D, and D should be the correct answer. Let's see. D is the correct answer. Now another question. This is the question right now. A buffer solution contains this much acetic acid and this much CS. Ka is given. Ten raised to the minus 5. Now see, weak acid and it's salt with a strong base. What intuition you are getting? This is giving an intuition of buffer, and already they have mentioned buffer. Now only thing you should know the Henderson's-Hasselbalch equation. That's Henderson's-Hasselbalch equation is pH is equal to pKa plus log of concentration of salt upon concentration of acid. This is the formula given by Henderson's-Hasselbalch equation. Now, pH is equal to pK and pK is equal to minus log of Ka. Remember that pKa is equal to minus log of Ka. So can I write here in place of pK minus log of Ka, and Ka is 10 raised to the minus 5 plus log of concentration of salt 0.2 means 2 into 10 raised to the minus 1 upon concentration of acid 1 into 10 raised to the minus 1. So log 2 is 0.3010 and 5 it will come 5. So 5 minus plus 5 plus log 2 is 0.3010. So 5.3010 will be the answer. 5. Wow, Bhuvneshwar. Now you see 5.301 is the correct answer. How many of you are able to understand, kids? If yes, I would like to see the green signal from everyone, kids. Baba is really doing a hard work for you. Baba is really doing a hard work for you. Do let me know that everyone is able to understand or not. बहुत क्वेश्चन आएगा बेटा, बहुत क्वेश्चन. जल्दी से बताओ सबको समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं. Henderson's-Hasselbalch equation. Remember that this is known as Henderson. My name is Harendra and its name is Henderson's-Hasselbalch equation. I hope it's clear to all of you, and answer is given 5.3. Everyone must have got it. Now, another question. Solubility based question. Now see, very good question. I would like to say, solubility of AgCl in water is this much, calculate its K.S.P. Now K.S.P, it is a salt AgCl. What I will say, its K.S.P will come out to be S square. Whatever the solubility is given, 1.3 into 10 to the minus 5. So this is 1.3 into 10 to the minus 5 whole square. So how much it will come out, kids? That is very simple. The 1.3 square and 10 to the minus 5 is 10 to the minus 2. Right? So answer is coming 1.69. 1.69 into 10 to the minus 10. Now this you know very well. So it's done. It's done. Done. Now done. Now let's move towards another thing. Next topic is, this we have done, chemical kinetics. Everyone, are you ready for chemical kinetics? Just to let me know. The chapter chemical kinetics. Everyone, are you ready? No problem. Okay, kids. सब रेडी है? मुझे बताओ जल्दी से। फायर सिंबल शो करो, मुझे देखना है कितने लोग जिंदा हैं, कितने लोग जाग रहे हैं, कितने लोगों के अंदर दम है। शालवी सिंह इज देयर, वेरी गुड। भुवनेश्वर नाथ इज देयर। कितने लोग एक्टिव है वो मुझे देखना है। आई वॉन्ट टू सी हाउ मेनी पीपल आर एक्टिव इन द चैट सेक्शन। किड्स, फास्ट फास्ट। बस 10 मिनट की बात है, 10 मिनट में ये सब कंप्लीट हो जाएगा। द होल सिलेबस, ऑर्गेनिक, इनऑर्गेनिक, फिजिकल। 10 मिनट नहीं लगेगा तो आधा घंटा मिलेगा। अच्छा, सवाल कराओ, पूछो मत। ओके ओके, पूछना नहीं है। हाँ हाँ, पूछो मत, कराते रहो। वेरी गुड। चलो, एक छोटा सा ब्रेक ले ले क्या हम लोग, 10 मिनट का? कैन बी टेक 10 मिनट्स ब्रेक? 10 मिनट का ब्रेक ले सकते हैं क्या? वेरी गुड, आपको पूरा भारतवर्ष देख रहा है। वेरी गुड। कैन बी टेक 10 मिनट्स ब्रेक किड्स? डू लेट मी नो। 10 मिनट्स ब्रेक। इट्स अ टी ब्रेक। Lunch I will do later on, but it's a tea break. Okay, tea break. 10 minutes tea break. बेटा अभी थोड़ा बचा है, थोड़ा फिजिकल केमिस्ट्री एंड देन इनऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री। ऑर्गेनिक वी हैव डन, फिजिकल हाफ वी हैव डन, सो हाफ फिजिकल एंड हाफ इनऑर्गेनिक। मान लो 1 घंटा और लगेगा, राइट? ओके किड्स, एक ब्रेक तो बनता है बेटा चाय का, राइट? बेटा एक 10 मिनट का ब्रेक, चाय पी के आता हूं, ठीक है? लेट मी हैव अ टी। ओके किड्स। Everyone, are you there? Wow, Shalvi Singh, you are great. Huh, Shalvi? You are really superb, huh? Nice answer. So, are you there, kids? So, let's see chemical kinetics. Now, the question is, unit of rate, they have given rate, law, order and molecularity, very, very important. Zero order and first order reaction, integrated rate equation. These are the things which are important, and this is K is equal to A raised to power minus EA by RT, collision theory, catalyst. So everything they have given. Now let's deal with the question. Kids, are you ready? Is everyone ready for the question? The question is, year-wise questions. Now question is given over here. Answer is visible, but no problem, kids. A first order reaction is 50% complete in 40 minutes. Calculate the rate constant. Now, calculation of rate constant you can do in number of ways. What are these ways by which you can calculate the rate constant, my dear students? Let me tell you. First order reaction, we know that T half, first thing is that T half is equal to 0.693 by K. So K will be 0.693 upon T half, 50% complete in 40 minutes. So this is given as the T half. So K value will be 0.693 upon 40 minutes. Now, the important thing is that how can you do this calculation? Because sometimes the calculation mistake is there. Shalvi, thank you. Bhuvneshwar, thank you. Now see, kids, how to do that. Now you can write it like this: 693 into 10 raised to power minus 3 divided by 40. Now once again the 0 will go over there. 693 into 10 raised to power minus 4 divided by 4. Can I write like this? Now this thing, this much you have done. Now you can solve it. 4 एकम 4 gone. Now 2 4 सत्ते 28 1 और 4 3 12 into 10 raised to power minus 4 something. So its answer is coming 173 into 10 raised to power minus 4. That means I can write 0.0173. So 0.0173. But I hope that the calculation, how to do the calculation, you write it like this, then you can go like this. If you are not that much good in calculation, then you can solve it like this, and you can put the value like this in this way. So it will become very simple. Now my dear students, another question, let's see that we have done. So another question is indicating that the rate constant doubles when temperature increases from 300 to 300 Kelvin. Calculate activation energy. Now calculation of activation energy requires one formula. When the same reaction is taking place at two different temperatures, how to solve it, my dear students? Then how to solve that equation? We know that log K2 upon K1 is equal to EA upon 2.303 R and T2 minus T1 upon T1 into T2. Only this formula you have to remember. This formula we have got from K is equal to AE raised to power minus EA by RT. Now two values of K they have given, that from temperature is increased from 300 to 300 Kelvin and the rate doubles. So I can write log 2 in place of log 2. I can write 0.3010, and activation energy they are in need of EA, they need now 2.303 R, and T2 minus T1, that means 310 minus 300. So it will come out 10 upon 310 into 300. Now only thing is that calculation, how to do the calculation that is required. So just see, the calculation can be done like this. So very lengthy calculation and you will get the answer. So definitely in your examination, if they are giving this type of question, then the options will be given far away, because this type of calculation you can't do so easily because it's a lengthy calculation. Can you see? Very good. Shall we sing? Sir, we can take 2.303 R, approximately 94, 90, 19. Okay, 19 you can take. Now, do you want that I should do the calculation? If you want this calculation to be done by me, I can do that. Okay. Otherwise, you can do it. Otherwise, they will not ask such a lengthy calculation, right? In the examination, lengthy calculation will not come. Now, question number 1, order of reaction. Now, for the reaction, twice of A plus B gives product. This question, people will write 2 plus 1, 3, but the stoichiometric coefficient will not give the order. You will get answer from here. Just see. Experiment A, 0.1, the rate is this much, right? Now see, this question is very, very easy. Simply you can solve this question. Now this is double. This is remaining constant. The rate got doubled. That means its power is 1. So with respect to A, we got power is 1. We don't know what is 1. We don't know what is B's power. But here you see the concentration, you have doubled. The rate got increased 2 times. So the power is 1, directly proportional. Now, here if you compare, it's 0.1, it's 0.1 constant, and 0.1 to 0.2 you see doubled, but the rate got doubled from 4 to 8. It also got doubled. That means power of B is also 1, directly proportional. Now the order of reaction, 1 plus 1 is coming out 2, and its stoichiometry was 3. So it is a complex reaction. So it is first order with respect to A and B. Let's check it out. The answer. What is the answer? Answer is given. Compare experimentally 1 and 2. So you see, with respect to A it is 1, and with respect to B it is 1. With respect to A it is 1. With respect to B it is 1. So second order chemical kinetics. Now see this question. Everyone come to this question. I think it is visible to all of you. Can you see this question, everyone? This question. Now question is half-life calculation. First order reaction has rate constant. This will calculate the time required for 75% completion. Now this question you can solve in number of ways. आप कई तरीके से क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. If I say let's start with 100 gram, and first it will convert into 50 gram, then it will convert into 25. From here to here, 75% completion you have done. 75%. Oh, where it is gone? 100, 50, 25. From here to here, you can see we have completed 75%. 75% got completed. Now the rate constant they have given. So can I calculate T half? T half is equal to 0.693 upon K, 2 into 10 raised to power minus 5. So can I write like this? 693 into 10 raised to power minus 3, and this will go up 10 raised to power 5 upon divided by 2. Now 2. So can I write 2, 3 just 6, and 2 4 is 8, and 2 chang 12 into 10 raised to power 2. Can I write like this? Something like 10 raised to power 2. This is T half is coming this much. Am I right, kids? It's coming too much. It's coming too much. No problem. So 1 T half, 1 more T half. So 2 T half. 2 T half it will undergo 9. सही है कि नहीं? T half is equal to 0.693 upon K, and K is given seconds, so it in seconds, it's okay in seconds. So 2 T half means 346 into 2, so 2 times, so twice of 346 into 10 raised to power 2, so multiplied by 2 once again, I will get 693 into 10 raised to power 2, so no need to divide it, so simply I've got 69300. So this is the answer, 69300. This extra step I have done because we have to get 2 T half, 1 T half, one more T half. So there was no need to divide it by 2. That extra calculation was done by me. मैंने ज़्यादा calculation कर दिया. Okay. Now multiply by 2, you will get the answer. So answer is over here on the screen. You see 69320 seconds. Now this is rate law determination steps, everything we have done, Arrhenius pattern we have done. Now let's go to another thing, that is let's deal with S block, classification of element. This we have done, chemistry, organic chemistry we have done. Now elements and periodicity. How many of you are ready for elements and periodicity? This is periodic table. Basically saying periodic table. I think I will take 30 minutes, not more than 30 minutes or 15 minutes. We will complete each and everything. Just in 15 to 20 minutes, we will complete it. We will complete it. Are you ready? Now see, classification of elements and periodicity. Let's see, kids. This is the level of questions they have given. Core concept, periodic table, atomic radius, everything, ionization energy they have given, effective nuclear charge, and this electron affinity and all this. Let's see the question number 1. Here is the question number 1. If you see, arrange the following elements in increasing order of atomic radius. If you are having a good knowledge, you can easily solve it. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. We know that fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine size increases. So it's simple question. No need to deal with this question. Very simple question. Now, ionization energy. What they are asking, which of the following has highest first ionization energy? Now, you should have knowledge of periodic table. Sodium and magnesium. So if you see, sodium is over here, magnesium is over there. Magnesium will have more than that of sodium because this is 1A and this is 2A, half filled configuration, or can say fully filled configuration of s orbital. Aluminium, silicon, naam Al-C. Now we know that magnesium will have more than that of aluminium, more than that of sodium, as well as more than that of aluminium. But silicon will have maximum. So I will write silicon will have maximum, then it's magnesium, and then it's aluminium, and then it's sodium. They all belongs to the same period in the periodic table. But what they have asked, which of the following has highest? So your answer will be D. Silicon will have highest. Everyone, silicon will have highest. Let's see. Silicon will have highest. Silicon. Now see, whatever I have written, they have given the same answer or they have given different answer. Just to let me know what answer they have given is same what I have given. Yeah, very good. Shall we saying thank you for doing it. Fantastic. Now this is the question. Arrange the following in increasing order of electronegativity. Now on moving, now I'll see electronegativity increases. So definitely electronegativity increases. The answer will be in this way. Answer will be in this way. Now I'll see. Now see, simple question. This question was very simple. Now, which element has the most negative electron gain enthalpy? Now this was very good question and tough question. I would like to say tough question. Now remember that electron affinity of beryllium is 0 because it is having S complete. So 0. Now lithium, boron, carbon, which element has maximum negative electron gain affinity? Now lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon. So leave it, otherwise it will increase in this order. So answer will be Carbon. Carbon should be the correct answer. And C, carbon is the correct answer. This question was very, very good question. Now, arrange the following in decreasing order of metallic character. On moving down, the metallic character increases, so cesium will be the correct answer. Cesium. So this cesium. Now, which of the following is an exception to the general trend of ionization energy across a period? So definitely we know that I have told you that 1A then 2A will have more than 3A also. 3A also. So maximum ionization energy of 2A. Beryllium is more than boron. This is right. And nitrogen is more than that of carbon. Look, write down lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen. Nitrogen will have more than that of oxygen. So nitrogens will be more. So this is nitrogen is having, oh, which of the following is an exception? But this is not an exception. This is only exception. So B will be the correct answer. B. See, this is also correct answer, but this is not an exception. This is correct. Correct answer, but not, it's not exception. And what they have asked? They have asked which is an exception. So answer will be B. B will be the correct answer. B is the correct answer. Now common question, this is also we have done. Now what is left? Only the left thing is some basic concept, atomic structure, structure of atom, thermodynamics. These three things are left, and one carbohydrate, that is carbohydrate is left, chemistry in everyday life. So are you ready, kids? Only I can see answer of shall we sing. What others are doing, kids? Rest of other peoples are not responding. What happened? Now let's see. Let's move with the some basic concepts. Okay. Some basic concept, you know that mole concept, better to say it's mole concept. Now let's see, kids. Stoichiometry, limiting reagent and all, molarity, normality, each and everything. Now let's see, kids, whether we are able to solve these questions or not. Are you ready? Is everyone ready, kids? Now, see. Foundation building, leave that foundation building. Hard level questions we have to see. Okay, they have not given hard level. They have given on basic questions. NEET questions, where are the NEET questions? Not given. Simply. Okay, no problem. Let's solve these questions, theoretical questions. Okay. So see, first of all, simple questions. Calculate the number of moles in 36 gram of water. We know that the moles calculation is like this. Moles is equal to weight in gram upon gram molar mass. So 2 moles. 2 moles. Find the mass of 2.5 moles of carbon dioxide. So mass is equal to 2.5, the weight in gram upon gram molar mass 44. So weight in grams you will get. This weight will be in grams. So we have done this one also. Calculate the molarity of 4.9 H2SO4 250 ml of water. So molarity is equal to moles, that is 4.9 upon 98 into 250 to make it 1 liter. 1000 will come up. Now how to solve it, kids? Solving is, you can see 4.9, give 1 0 to this, so this will get removed. 2s are 2s are, now you can see 2 50s are 50 upon 250. I don't know how to solve it. 50 upon 250, this I don't know. So I can do one thing, make it 500 into 10 to the minus 1. Now I know it will go 2 times. So 0.2 is the answer. 0.2. Everyone, are you getting my point? 0.2 is the correct answer. Biomolecules, yes. Biomolecules is left, right? Shall we see? Now, determine the number of atoms in 2 gram of sodium. number of atoms. So calculate moles, then you will get atom. 2 gram of sodium means how many moles? Moles will be equal to 2 upon sodium. Molecular formula is atomic mass is 23. So these are moles, and multiplied by 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. These will be the atoms. Find the volume occupied by 1 mole of gas at NTP. 22.4 liters volume will be occupied. So it's very simple. You can solve any question in this way. If you know it, you can solve it, right kids? So let's go with thermodynamics. Thermodynamics, states of matter and thermodynamics. Are you ready for thermodynamics? NEET 2009 to 2024. You can see the question distribution. Total question, they have asked 50 questions, average per year 3 to 4 questions. Very, very important. 3 to 4 questions they will ask every year from thermodynamics. Now let's see. Let's see everything they have given. Now let's solve the questions where the question is going to get started. Yeah, it's getting started from here. Now let's see. This is the question number 1, ideal gas law. A gas occupies 2.4 liters. A gas, okay, the question they have given the question. A gas is occupying 2.24 liters at STP. What will be its volume at 273 and 2 atmosphere? Now what you are supposed to do? STP is there. So you can solve this question. PV is equal to nRT. PV is equal to nRT. This is ideal gas equation. Gas occupies this much volume, that means, and pressure is 2 atmosphere. 2 into 2.24, number of moles. What will be its volume? A gas occupies 2.4 liters at STP. Oh, sorry kids, sorry. This is not the way how to proceed. Just see. At STP, a gas occupies this much. Now we can say directly from here, 1 mole of any ideal gas occupies 22.4 liters. So from here I can get it's occupying 2.24, it is 0.1 mole. I can write down 0.1 mole, right? Now directly I can get the answer that pressure you have increased twice, the volume will reduce. Answer is 0.1. 0.1. Answer will be 0.1. Right? Directly I can get the answer. Otherwise, you can put in this formula, you can get the answer that moles we are getting volume. So pressure is 2 atmosphere, volume I don't know, number of moles I got 0.1, gas constant 1 by 12, you can write temperature 273 Kelvin, you can keep, and you will get the answer. By this formula also you can get the answer, or you can say P1 V1 upon T1 is equal to P2 V2 upon T2. Anything, whatever you want to apply, you can apply, you can get the answer. So let's see what should be the answer. Now the smallest way is answer is volume is this much, 1.12 liters. So apply the formula 1.12 liters, you will get the answer. Right kids? Any formula you can apply, PV is equal to nRT, or this formula, whatever the formula. Got it? This is clear or not? Everyone, is this clear or not? I think this is clear to all of you. Now, question 2. Gives free energy. For a reaction, delta H is this, delta S is the reaction will be. Now, let's see. We know the formula delta G is equal to delta delta H minus T delta S. Gibbs-Helmholtz equation we know very well. Gibbs-Helmholtz equation. Now, at 298 Kelvin, delta H value is minus 100 kilojoule. Delta S, see, this is kilojoule. So convert into joule. This is the gain. 10 raised to power 3. Temperature is 298. I can keep near about 300 into delta S is minus 200. Now, rough calculation I can do. this minus and minus will become plus, and this is this. So can I write minus 10, 1 into 10 is for 5, and this minus minus plus, so 3 2 just 6 into 10 raised to power 4. Can I write like this? This is plus, this is minus. So how much I will get the answer? Now you can see no need to solve it, no need to solve it directly. You can see this is not in favor, this is against, and this is in favor, this is against. So if I increase the temperature, if I increase in this equation, no need to solve it. How to go for this question? Let's see. If I keep on increasing temperature, if I keep on increasing temperature, the positive magnitude will increase, positive magnitude will keep on increasing, and the reaction will become not feasible. For this reaction, low temperature is favorable, low temperature is good, low temperature. Now let's see. Spontaneous at all temperature, wrong. Non-spontaneous, right, this is right. Spontaneous at low temperature, this is also correct. Spontaneous at high temperature, this is wrong. Two are right. Non-spontaneous, oh, that this is wrong. Non-spontaneous at all, only one option is correct, C, because this is in favor, this is making, because for spontaneity delta H should be negative and delta S should be positive, but this is going against. So high temperature is not favorable, so it is not spontaneous at all temperature, it is not non-spontaneous at all temperature. So what is required? Spontaneous at low temperature. I hope everyone is getting C is the correct answer, and no need to solve it. Answer will be 100% C. C. Without solving, you can get the answer if your basics are good. So this question, we have to go with basics. Your basics must be strong, must be strong. So it was not a numerical, it was, I would like to say it was a theoretical question. I would like to say it was a theoretical question, right kids? Theoretical question. So now let's go with another question. Work done. Now question is, 2 moles of an ideal gas expands isothermally. Isothermally, gas is expanding from 10 to 20. Calculate what they are asking. Calculate the work done. Now they haven't asked that it is going reversibly or irreversibly. That is a very wrong thing, kids. In this question, what is missing, kids? 2 moles of an ideal gas expands isothermally. They should have given the value that reversibly or irreversibly. That means in infinite steps or finite steps, then the answer will get changed, because if this work is done reversibly by the system, then it will be more, and irreversibly by the system isothermal, then it will be less. Then we will get two different values. Are you getting my point? Chaitra, yes, I will try. Now see, let's, when nothing is given, so let's do with reversibly. Work done reversibly minus 2.303 nRT log base 10 V2 by V1. So 2 moles are 0.0821 liter atmosphere. So 1 by 12 T is 300 log V2 by V1, 10 to 20. So log 2, 0.3010. Now what I will get, kids? How much I will get? You see, how to solve it? So you see 3, 4 ja 12, 100 is left. 100 give to this will become 30. So 30 it will become, and 4 is there, and 2.3. So minus 2.3 into 30 divided by 4. So 4 सत्ते 28, 4 सत्ते 28, 2 और 4 पंचे 20, 7.5 into 2.3. So 2.3 into 7.5, what I will get? 5 15 की 5 यहाँ से लगे, 1 5 दूनी 10 और 1 11 और 7 दूनी 14 7 21 2 7 दूनी 14 और 16 5 2 7 1 and 17.25. So anything wrong I have done, kids? Oh, this I have done wrong, kids. Where the mistake I made, just see, I have done one mistake. What is that, kids? One mistake is done by me. What's that, kids? What's that? I have used 0.0821 liter atmosphere per Kelvin per mole. This is the mistake. This is the big mistake. Take care of it. R value I have taken in liter atmosphere, whereas rest of the things, okay, liter atmosphere was given only. I have done it correctly. How much I have got? I have done it correctly, kids. Ayyo, I can convert it into. Ayyo, Rangaswamy. Now once again I have to write down 0.2.303, 2 moles, 1 upon 12. Do let me know, kids, what I have done. Into 0.3010. How much I have got? Any idea? The value which I have got. Kitna value mila tha mujhe? I have forgotten. Otherwise, I have to do it once again, kids. Oh, 12 पंचे 7. What to do? The chalk 12. Give that. So minus 2.3 into 1 by 4 into, give 100 to that, 30. So 4 7 28, 5 7.5 2.3. No calculation. 2.3 into 7.5. So it was 5 15 की 5 यहाँ से लगी 1 5 दूनी 10 11 and 7 दूनी 14 21 2 7 दूनी 14 2 16. I got 5 2 7 1. This was liter atmosphere, right? Kilojoule, we know that 1 liter atmosphere is equal to 101 what? Kilojoule or joule per mole. So you see 0.0821 liter atmosphere per Kelvin mole is equal to 8.314 joule per Kelvin per mole. So I will get 101.3 joule. So multiply with 101. So this liter atmosphere will convert into joules and divide by 1000. You will get kilojoules. So 101 you can say 100 only. So I will get 1725 approximately joule, and if I divide it by 1000, so I will get 1.725 kilojoules approximately. But answer is not coming like that. See, it's coming something more than that. Kids, 2 not taken. 2, where 2 has missed? Oh, this 2 is missing. So 2 is missing. Oh, 2 missed. So it will convert into how much if I multiply by 2? 17.25 liter atmosphere. So into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, where I have done this into 2, this into 2. So into 2, 1.75 into 2, 17 दूनी 34. So 3.4. Very good. Kilojoule. This is the correct answer. 2 was missing. Now it's correct. Approximate. Exactly. This was minus sign. So minus will come. And this is the correct answer. You got it? So only 2 was missing. Otherwise, everything we have done correctly. You got it? Shall we sing? You got it? Everyone, just to let me know. 2 was missing. Otherwise, answer is correct, coming exactly correct. Check it out. Everyone, just check it out. Check it out. Clear? Done and dusted? Do let me know, kids. Do let me know. Very good. So, minus 3.46 kilojoule. Always remember 1 liter atmosphere is equal to 101.3 joules, right? Calculate the standard enthalpy of formation of methane. Very good question. Calculate the standard enthalpy of formation of methane. By using these three equations, we have to write down the standard enthalpy of formation. So the required equation will be methane, 1 mole methane from constituent elements, that is carbon graphite plus twice of H2 gas. This is the required equation. Are you getting my point? Always write down the required equation. Very good, shall we sing? Now, carbon graphite should be on left hand side. Where carbon graphite in this 1, 2, 3 carbon solid, this should be graphite. Okay. Twice of H2, this is 1 H2, so multiply this by 2. And this should be on another side. So first equation plus 2 times of second equation and reverse it. This will go on that side minus third equation. So this much you are supposed to do. If you are able to understand this much, let's move ahead. So first equation value is given minus 393.5 twice of second. So multiply it with 2. So multiplying by 2, 2 अट्ठे 16, 6 हाथ से लगी 1, 5 दूनी 10, 11, 8 दूनी 16, 17, 2 दूनी 4, 5 minus this. Now reverse this equation. Reversing the sign will convert to plus 890.3. Now what answer is coming? Just see. Minus minus will get plus. So minus 393.5 and minus 571.6. I will get 6 5 11 की कहाँ से लेंगे 1 4 5 8 दूनी 16 8 दूनी 16 16 16 16 5 3 8 9 minus 965 and plus 890 plus 890.3. That is big one. So 11 में से 3 गया, 11 में से 3 गया 8, 4 और 16 में से 9 गया, 16 में से 9 गया 7, 7, and this will be of minus 74.8 is coming, minus 74.8. See calculation. Have I done clear calculation? Minus 74.8, minus 74.8. Let's see. Minus 74.8. Oh. Hey, see. Baba has done so quickly and they have done in such a long. Who is brilliant? I have done in just one line. Baba has solved it in just one line. See. Such a lengthy solution they have given. Baba H.S.P's solution was very short. Baba H.S.P's solution is really awesome. Got it, kids, or not? Everyone got it? Everyone got it? Now, let's see another question. Entropy change. Which of the following process has positive entropy change? Freezing of water, that means gas is changing into solid. No. Positive entropy means disorder is increasing. Disorder increases. Randomness increases. Randomness increases. No. Condensation of steam. No. Dissolution of sugar in water. This is the right answer. C will be the correct answer, because when you dissolving anything, oh, thank you. Who has written? Baba has got Riddhi Kumar, Shalvi. Yeah, thank you. Now C. The answer will be C. C is the correct answer. Now common question paper and like this also we have done. Now done. What is left, kids? At structure of atom and chemical bonding. After that, biomolecules. And then D block or coordination chemistry, I think it's given over there or not. How you are feeling now, kids? Do let me know, everyone, how good everyone is feeling. Do let me know, kids. Really feeling good or not? Now, let's go with the atomic structure and chemical bonding. The atomic structure and chemical bonding. Now, question number 1, you can see here is the question. Array, why it's not coming this side? It's not coming over here. No problem. Which of the following set of quantum numbers is not possible for an electron in an atom, right? Which is not possible? Let's see. N is equal to 3, L is equal to 0, M is equal to, it's okay. N is equal to 2, L is equal to 1, it's okay. N is equal to 4, L is equal to, so see, M is, you can see, N is Nana, N for Nana, L for Lalla, and M for Munna. So remember that Nana is always greater than Lalla, and Lalla can be greater or equal to Munna. So Munna can't be greater than Lalla. This is wrong. This is wrong. Munna can't be greater than Lalla. Are you getting my point? Chemistry is in the air. Munna can't be greater than Lalla. So third is the correct answer. Let's see. Third they have given or not. So C is the correct answer. Now another question. You see to it. Another question. Just see to it. Question is molecular geometry of SF4. Now let's see SF4. How to write down SF4? Sulfur belongs to usse tipo. So it will have 6 electrons in the outermost orbit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. SF4. So 4 sigma bond it has formed 1. So steric number will be sigma bond 4 plus 1 lone pair 5. The electronic geometry will be trigonal bipyramidal. So let me write down S. The one fluorine will occupy this position, one lone pair will occupy this position, another fluorine will occupy this position, and the axial fluorines. So you can see the shape is somewhat like you play the game in your childhood. It was like this, and you were sitting over here. Distorted tetrahedral or seesaw. I can write seesaw, or it can be written as distorted tetrahedral. I hope it's very much clear to all of you. Got the answer. So C will be the correct answer. C will be the correct answer. If you see, C is the correct answer. Seesaw. Now see, electronic configuration. The electronic configuration Cu2 plus ion is. Now see, it's very simple, my dear students. If you see to it, Cu2 plus. Now we know that Cu is 29. It follow exceptional configuration. So its configuration is 3d10 and 4s1. Now 2 electrons gone, one from there, one from here. So Cu2 plus will be 3d9. So this is the answer. 3d9. AR 3d9. You can write AR 3d9. A will be the correct answer. Now let's see, A is given or not. A to be the correct answer. A is the correct answer. Now bond order of N2 plus. Now see, we know that N2 bond order is 3, N2 O2 is 2, and F2 is 1, O2 is like this. So N2 plus, that means right now 14 and electron N2, and there is C2 is 12. So N2 plus, 1 electron has gone, so it will be 13. So in between this 2 and 3, it's 2.5. So the answer will be 2.5. A will be the correct answer. By this formula we can do everything. Only remember that CO plus, the bond order is actually 3.25, which is written as 3 point somewhere. This is the only exceptional case. So remember it. Okay, my dear student, this is the only exceptional case. Now the answer is 2.5. We have done it. 2.5 should be the answer. Oh, 2.5. See here, 2.5 is the correct answer. Now another question. You see, the hybridization of carbon in C2H4. So if you find out C2H4, you will draw it like this: CH2 and CH2. You can see the thing over here. You can just check it out, my dear students. It is sp2. Directly you can see it is sp2. Or if you don't know, 1 sigma, 1 more sigma, 1 more sigma, steric number is coming out 3. 3 is sp2, and trigonal planar will be the answer. Trigonal planar will be the answer. So sp2b is the correct answer. B is the correct answer. So B, sp2. Now paramagnetic species, which of the following is paramagnetic? So let me give you the trick. Remember that all odd electron 1 are paramagnetic. All even 1 are, all even electrons are dimagnetic except 10 and 16. Except 10 and 16, they are even, but then also paramagnetic. So CO 14 dimagnetic. NO plus, so 8 में से 1 चला गया, so 14 14 dimagnetic. Cn negative 14 14 dimagnetic. O2 16 paramagnetic. See, this is the answer. D is the correct answer. If you see, D is the correct answer. D should be given. O2 is given the correct answer. Common questions we have done. We have done chemical bonding also, and atomic structure we have done. Very good. See kids, how fast we are moving, and we are solving each and every question what they have given. Baba is solving, you people are solving each and every question. Now this we have done, this we have done, this we have done. Solution and solid state. Solid state is not in our syllabus. Redox and electrochemistry, this was left. Shall we sing Baba is today? Baba is moving very fast or not? Baba is moving speedily or not? We are doing chemistry in the air or not? That's really fantastic. Now see, redox and electrochemistry. Let's see. Now the question is cell potential calculation. Calculate the standard cell potential for this. This is your Daniell cell, voltaic cell, or electrochemical cell. Remember that VEG, the full form is voltaic, electrochemical, or galvanic cell. Now you know that what I have told you, either you can apply the formula for E naught cell is equal to E right minus E left. Both are given in SRP, standard reduction potential value. So you can apply this formula, right? Now right one is cathode minus anode. You can say cathode minus anode. So cathode minus anode, and we can seek its cathode. Who is cathode? Cu2 plus 2Cu. Reduction 0.34, 0.34 minus its SRP value. SRP 0.6, so minus of minus 0.76. So minus minus plus 6 4 10, 7 3 10 11. 1.10 volt will be the correct answer. 1.10 volt will be the correct answer. 1.10 volt, 1.10 volt is the correct answer. You can see this is given over here. We have solved it immediately. It's simple question. We have done it, done and dusted, right? Now another question, Nernst equation. Now for the cell given E naught like this, now what they are asking for the cell, calculate cell potential at 25. So E cell, remember that E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.059 upon 2 for this log of concentration of the right hand side upon left hand side, Zn2 plus concentration upon Cu2 plus concentration. Now only thing what is left over here, we have to keep the values. So let me keep the values, all the values. E naught cell already we have calculated 1.1 volt minus, so I can make it plus, so it will go up 0.06, so it will come 0.03. I have changed it, so log of concentration, this will go up, Cu2 plus will go up 1 into 10 raised to power minus 2, and Zn2 plus will go down, so 1 into 10 raised to power minus 1. So you can see that is coming out minus, this is 10 raised to power minus 1, so minus means 1.1 minus 0.03, 1.1 minus 0.03. How much answer will come? You can calculate, you can check it, you can see 1.1 minus, so I can write down 1.10, so I can write 0.03, so 10 में से 3 गया 7 and 0, and it's 1.07, my answer is coming 1.07. So let's check it out, 1.07 is the answer. Can you see, kids? Baba is doing all the things. Have you seen any teacher who is solving organic, inorganic, physical, any question, random questions? Wow, shall we sing Rishi Shonak, everyone? Have you ever seen any teacher solving questions randomly, whether it is of organic, physical or inorganic? Even I have never seen these questions. Baba has never seen these questions, NEET questions. Now let's see, what is the oxidation number of K2Cr2O7? Now see, the answer will be 2 into 1 plus x plus 7 into minus 2 is equal to 0. So x is coming out plus 6. So plus 6 will be the answer. Plus 6 will be the correct answer. Just see to it. Plus 6. Electrolysis, if you see electrolysis, what question they have given? How much time is required? So we know that Q is equal to IT. How much time will be required? Q is equal to IT. I is in ampere and T is in second. This is in ampere, this is in seconds. So how much time is required to deposit 1 gram of magnesium from MgCl2 solution using 2 ampere current? Now kids, Q is equal to IT and Q is equal to NF also. So can I write NF is equal to IT, because this we have to use. Now magnesium Mg2 plus 2 moles of electron will give Mg 24 grams. So N value is 2 into 96500 into I 2 ampere current, and time in seconds we will get. Health salt. Got it, kids? 2 and 2 will cancel out. So time in second, we have got the answer. Have you got it, kids? Faraday's law. So this is clear. We got it. We got it. And you can check it out. The answer. Answer is 965. So they have converted into minutes. See, minutes. And we got in seconds, right? Everyone, is it clear? Is it clear? Oh, I think we made a mistake. I made a mistake because the time I have written, that was for 24 gram, but they are asking for 1 gram. They have asked for 1 gram, kids. So my solution was wrong. So we can also do it like that. For 24 gram, we have unity method, we can apply unity method. 24 gram, we got 96500 seconds. So for 1 gram, how much time is required? One thing is that we can do like or we can apply one formula, M is equal to ZIT. This is Faraday's law, and mass is equal to Z is equal to equivalent weight upon 96500 into I into T. We can apply this formula also, an equivalent weight N factor. So equivalent weight of magnesium is equal to um, uh, molar mass 24 divided by N factor 2, and mass is given 1 gram. We can apply this formula also and we can solve the question. Number of ways are there to solve this such type of question, right? So another question, let's see. Balancing redox equation. Now see this equation, no need to waste time. We know that N factor method, we can do it just within fraction of seconds. If we know the N factor, it's N factor ferrous to ferric, so N factor is 1, and its plus 7 is getting converted into plus 2, so the N factor is 5. So when N factor is, remember that when N factor is x raised to y, then the molar ratio will be y raised to x, So I can say multiply crisscross, 1 mole of this, 5 moles of this, or 2 moles of this, then 10 moles of that. Within fraction of seconds we can get the answer. So this is clear to all of you. I think it's clear. So see, they are taking this much of time. Otherwise, Baba has solved just in fraction of seconds. You can see where the answer has gone. So see, MnO4 to a 5 times Fe2 plus 1 mole of MnO4 got completed, right? Now conductivity. The resistance of this much solution of electrolyte is this much. If the cell constant is this much, what they are asking, calculate the calculate the specific. So we know that conductivity is equal to just conductivity is equal to, we know that conductivity is equal to conductance into cell constant. That's it. So apply the formula, you will get the answer. We should only know that conductivity is equal to conductance, conductive specific conductance, that is conductivity is equal to conductance into cell constant. Conductivity, this is specific conductance, is conductivity. In place of this, remember that it's specific conductance, you can write. In place of this, conductivity, conductance, and cell constant. In place of conductance, you can use 1 by R, resistance also. Both are same, right kids? Are you getting my point? If we remember this formula, we can do questions. Mukesh Kumar, welcome. Shalvi Singh, are you getting my point? Everyone, are you getting my point? Just remember this, you can get the answer. Now, we have done all these things, we have done. So now only what is left? Only left thing is biomolecules. After this, we have completed each and everything. Only biomolecules. Are you there? Kids, are you there? Shalvi Singh, only biomolecules is left. Rest of the things we have completed. We have completed whole organic chemistry. We have completed physical chemistry. Only biomolecules is left. Am I right? Just in front of you, Baba has, without wasting even a single minute, Baba has done each and everything. We have done each and everything. Now, my dear students, biomolecules. This is the last one, but not the least one. Biomolecules. Let's see. NEET 2024 question. Which of the following is non-reducing sugar? So, answer is very much clear. Non-reducing sugar, glucose, no maltose, no sucrose. Sucrose is a non-reducing sugar. We got it. It's very well. We know sucrose is a non-reducing sugar. Another one, any other question? Let's see. Sucrose. Now, another, number of chiral atoms in glucose molecules. Number of chiral atom in glucose. So, your glucose is CH double bond O, CH2OH 1 2 3 4 HOH 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 HOH. How many chiral carbons in glucose? You see This is chiral, this is chiral, this is chiral, this is chiral. 2 raised to power 4 is 2 to the 4, 2 the 8, 16. 16. What they are asking? Chiral centers, only chiral centers. So answer will be 4. That is the optically active isomers have written 4. 4 will be the correct answer. 4. 4 is the correct answer. 4 will be the correct answer. 4. 4 is the correct answer. Protein and amino acids. Let's see proteins and general structure they have given, each and everything they have given. So protein structure, secondary structure they have given in hydrogen test. Now this is very, very important, kids. Remember that ninhydrin test is very, very important. Biuret test for proteins. Remember that biuret test and ninhydrin test and xanthoprotic test. In this you will get yellow color. Sample need to. Okay, now let's see the question, kids. Which of the following is an essential amino acid? Essential amino acids code is RAG. These are essential amino acids. I am writing RAG, lassi pilo, haste haste, Valentine, valine, Manau 309, 309, trichromathi, tryptophan, methionine, and phenylalanine, along with leuci and isoleuci. All these are essential amino acids. Which of the following is an essential amino acid? Glycine, no. Alanine, alanine, no. Lysine, lysine is over here. See, lysine is over here. So lysine will be the correct answer. Now kids, wow, shall we sing? You have done before me. Fantastic, fantastic. Lysine. Baba also know biomolecules. Baba's biomolecules, biochemistry is good or not? Can you see? RAG, lassi, pilo, haste, haste. And these three are basic amino acids. Remember that. And this is the basic strength. This is the basic strength. Basic, most basic is arginine, then lysine, then histidine. These are essential as well as basic strength order. I have written basic strength. And if you see one letter word, single coding, then R is the one letter, K is the one letter, H is the one letter, V, T, W, M. These are the one letter codes. They can give you an examination, even one letter codes. Just see, these are one letter codes. Anything they can ask in your examination. Now see. Protein denaturation. Very, very good question. Protein denaturation leads to breakage of peptide bonds, loss of primary structure, no disruption of secondary and tertiary. I will go with the C. What do you say? Wow, shall we sing? Thank you. Wow, that's really awesome. Fantastic. I will go with the C. Disruption of secondary and tertiary structure. Disruption of secondary and tertiary structure. Let's see. Disruption of secondary and tertiary. That's really fantastic. Nucleic acid. Let's see. Nucleic acid, deoxy DNA, what's in given double helical structure of DNA and RNA. Which nitrogen base is present in RNA but not in adenine? I would like to say in RNA is uracil in place of thymine. Uracil in place of thymine. So I will go with uracil. Am I right? Baba knows bio also. Uracil in place of thymine. This is present in RNA, uracil, but thymine is there in place of uracil in DNA. So I will go with C. Let's see whether Baba is right or wrong. C is the correct answer. C, uracil is the correct answer. Now, the question, wow, such a great question they have given. If DNA segment has 20% adenine, what percentage of cytosine will it have? This is very tough question. How to do it? Baba doesn't know. Baba to doesn't know. This is in your bio. In chemistry, it is not present. So I will leave this question. I don't know. So this is in your bio kits. This is given in bio, not in chemistry. So vitamins. Let's see vitamin question. Which vitamin is required for blood coating? Blood coating, I know that when in our body there is heparin that does not allow the blood inside our body. Once there is cut, the blood starts moving, so prothrombin into thrombin, fibrinogen into fibrin. Vitamin K, vitamin K. Oh, GRB. Now I am going to tell you GRB. So vitamin K, I will go with vitamin K. My answer is vitamin K, kids. Vitamin K. Vitamin K is the answer. Now, GR Bartla, no, GRB. Okay, let me tell you, this is organic chemistry. GRB, Liverman's nitroso test. My cool tube is asking about Liverman's nitroso test. I missed yesterday, so let's see. If I am having 2-degree amine, remember that. If we are having 2-degree amine and we are doing reaction with NaNO2 HCl, we will get R2 and N double bond O. This is yellow oily liquid, right? Now this, when reacted with H2SO4 and after some time NaOH, first we will get green color, which will change into red color. Finally, it will convert into blue color. So what is the trick for it? Trick is YGRB. My Y is GRB publication. YGRB. YGRB. This is the trick. This is the trick for this. यार गरीब, मेरा यार गरीबा, मेरा यार गरीबा, मेरा यार गरीबा, गरीब. My yar is गरीब, and that's why its liver is not working properly. Liverman's nitroso test by GRB. मेरी बाई गरीब है, मेरा यार गरीब, मेरी बाई गरीब. Okay, got it. मेरा यार गरीब, my बाई is also गरीब. Now, another question. Deficiency of which vitamin causes scurvy? I would like to go for vitamin C. It is present in citrus acid fruit. Its name is vitamin C is ascorbic acid, and it will call scurvy. Vitamin C. Vitamin C will be the correct answer. Let's see. Vitamin C. This also done. Done and dusted. Amino acid, protein, each and everything we have done. Now anything is left, just see questions. Ministry of Education, this we done. Oh, D and F block is left. D and F block. D and F is left. Let's see. This we have done. This we have. Oh, P block is also left. This we have done. This we have. This we have done. 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 Oh, this we have not done. Hydrocarbon is left and DNF block is left. So let's go. 2 chapters are left. DNF block and hydrocarbon, right? I think it will take 10 minutes, maximum 10 minutes. Agreed. Should we go with DNF? 5 minutes DNF will take and 5 minutes hydrocarbon will take. Are you ready for this? Just 5 and 5, 10 minutes. 5 minutes DNF block will take and 5 minutes hydrocarbon will take. Everyone ready? Yes, sir. I to know that everyone is ready. Now, see, DNF. Why to leave it? We will not leave anything because it's very, very important. Now, the oxidation or state of chromium in this, we know +6. +6, we know very well. It's given, everything is given. Now, which of the following lanthanide shows +4 oxidation state? Very tough question, kids. Very, very tough question. I would like to say very tough question. Everyone can't do it. Which of the following lanthanide shows +4 oxidation state most commonly? Most commonly, let's see. Why cerium? Cerium to lutetium. Cerium's atomic number is Lanthanoid starts with 58 to 71. 58 to 71. Just see, very, very important, kids. Let's see and let me explain. Common oxidation state for lanthanoid is +3. Cerium, if you see, cerium is 4s0, stable configuration 4s. So other examples of TV and PR. Now they have not written in proper sense. So let me tell you, cerium is 58. Cerium atomic number is 58. Now how to do it? Just see. Helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon, ओगी 2, 10, 18, 36, 54, 86, 118. Now before 58 there is 54. So can I write xenon to be 54 and how much is left? Now cerium, everyone wants to have noble configuration. Everyone would like to have noble configuration, and these elements are having noble gas configuration, and cerium wants to become like xenon, xeno. So cerium will lose how many electrons? Cerium will lose how many electrons? Cerium will lose 4 electrons, and that's why cerium +4 oxidation state indicates it will have noble gas configuration. Noble gas configuration. Got it? So no need to cram. Cramming is not required. It will acquire noble gas configuration, and that's why. So everything has got a reason. Now let's see. Let's see. Variable oxidation, NEET 20. The correct IUPAC name of this compound. Let's see correct IUPAC name of this compound. Now remember that cobalt, nothing is there. So its name will be cobalt, not cobaltate. Pentamine. How to write pentamine? Penta and double A. Amine. Amine. Double M. So remember that double M. Chlorido. Chlorido. Now what is the oxidation state? X plus 5 into 0 minus 1 minus 2 is equal to 0. So X is equal to 3. Cobalt 3. Sulfate. I hope that everyone got it. Everyone is able to understand. So its answer is chloro. Now they have given wrong. Why they have given wrong answer? Chloro, it starts with C and amine starts with A. So amine will be written first. That is wrong. They have given wrong. So it will be pentamine chloro, pentamine chloro cobalt 3 sulfate. This will be the correct answer. Pentamine cobalt chloride. No, wrong. No, everything is A should be the correct answer. A should be the correct answer because penta is not included in alphabetical order. Remember that. What I'm saying, penta is not included in alphabetical order. Are you getting my point, kids? Amine starts with A. Ligand's name starting in the alphabetical order should be written first. Is this clear to all of you, kids? Do let me know. Are you able to understand? Everyone, just to let me know. Just to let me know, kids. Is it clear? Is it clear? No. Which of the following transition metal ion is colorless? For colorless, it should have no unpaired electron. No unpaired electron should be present. Now see, scandium 3 plus. This is the correct answer. Scandium 3 plus. The number of geometrical isomers possible. Now see, kids, very good question. I would like to say very good question. This is 2, this is 1 cis 1 trans. 1 cis 1 trans. So definitely 2 will be the answer. What is cis and trans? You see platinum, if I write ammonia over here, chlorine over here, this is cis, and diagonally opposite platinum, chlorine at this place and chlorine at this place, ammonia over here, this is trans. This is trans. So 2 is the correct answer, right? Which of the following complexes have highest crystal field splitting energy? Highest crystal field, for that highest crystal field we should know only one thing. For this we should know only one thing, that metal must be in highest oxidation state, that is it should be M3 plus, and ligand must be strong field ligand. More is the strong field ligand, more will be the splitting, more higher energy color it will absorb, and more wavelength color it will reflect. Now let's see kids. Cobalt 3 plus, this can't be the answer. Weak field ligand. Water also act as strong field ligand, but this can't be the answer. Cobalt 3 plus. Now cobalt and these are same. So out of water and ammonia, this is strongest field ligand. This is also strong, but not that much. This is the strongest. So A will be the correct answer. If you see the spectrochemical series also, if you see the spectrochemical series already I have given, you see they have given ammonia is the strongest, water is intermediate, but water with cobalt will act as strong field ligand. Remember that, strong field ligand, and this is the strongest for this, so this is the correct answer. I got it. I think that you people have got it. Now the actinide shows, leave it. Which of the following complex is paramagnetic? Oh my god, this is time taking question. Now how to do it exactly in less time, that is the thing. Iron 2 plus, first of all 2 have gone 6 strong field ligand, so it is dimagnetic, can't be paramagnetic. Nickel 28, 8 2, nickel 2 plus 2 have gone from here, 8 means cyanide strong field ligand, filling will take place, so 8 5. Okay, this will come over here. It can't be answer, dimagnetic. Now answer will be either from here or from there. You know that Zn2 plus dimagnetic, it can't be the answer, so only one is left. This is paramagnetic. See, Baba is applying brain. Baba has applied brain and you got the answer. Just see to it. Everyone just see to it. The correct stability constant for the following. Oh, that you know that cyanide strong field ligand 3 plus, like this, maximum oxidation state and strong field ligand will provide more stability, right? Once again I am telling you, more is the oxidation state and strongest field ligand. See here, Fe is plus 3, Fe plus 2, and this is weak field ligand. Here iron is plus 3, but here strong field ligand, here iron is 2 plus, strong field ligand, but here iron is plus 3 but weak field ligand. Got it? That's the answer. Which is following is not a transition element? Most frequently asked, they have asked which is not a transition element, so we will say Zn, because zinc, cadmium and mercury, they are very soft, they are having no unpaired electron, N is 0, that's why they are very soft and they cannot do metallic bonding, and that's why this is the answer, right? Got it? No unpaired electrons, so very soft, because can't show metallic bonding, can't do metallic bonding. You can even cut with simple knife, very soft. The lengthenoid contraction is caused due to poor shielding of F. This is the correct answer. Poor shielding of F is the correct answer. That is reason for lengthenoid contraction. Which of the following complexes show linkage isomerism? Linkage means ambidentate nucleophile must be there. To show linkage isomerism, ambidentate nucleophile is required. For that, ambidentate nucleophile, that is ligand, is required. Ligand must be ambidentate, then only we can do. So this is not ambidentate, this is ambidentate. This one, there is nothing. This is the answer. B should be the correct answer. B should be the correct answer. Everyone, are you getting my point? Very good. Now see, the electronic of this, though we have done already. We have done. Which of the following is strong field ligand? Now this, though we know very well, is strong field ligand from this ammonia as a strong field ligand. And with the spectrochemical series, I have given you the trick Baba has provided. The number of unpaired electron MnF6. Oh my God, MnF6. This is weak field ligand. So Mn manganese is 25. That means it is 3d5. 4s1 3 and 6 3 plus this means 1 from here, 2 from here, 3d5 3d 1 and 2 have gone 3, so 3 and 4. How to get MnF6 3 negative? So 3 positive. So 1 has gone from here, manganese 25. Sorry kid, sorry, I did one mistake here. To be 2, it should be 2 if it is 2, because it is 25 4 as to 2 from here, 1 from here, 3d4. So 3d4, we will have how many unpaired electrons? Gets 1 2 3 4. So its Bohr magneton will be 4.90. If they have asked Bohr magneton, then also we can answer it. And number of unpaired electrons is 4. So 4 will be the correct answer. 4 will be the correct answer. Got it, kids? Everyone got it? So yeah, shall we sing 4s2? I've written 4s1. That was my mistake. I screwed up. Now, kids, I hope everyone got it. Which of the following complex has square planar geometry? For that square planar geometry, either the hybridization will be DsP2 or it can be sp2d. For that, D should be involved, and for that, weak field ligand or strong field ligand? Strong field ligand is required. Strong field ligand. This is weak, this is strong field ligand. You can see this is strong field, this is also strong field ligand, and this is also strong field ligand. So I would like to go with, but my dear students, out of this and this, one thing is there. This is copper, that is iron. We cannot say like this. So let's see what should be the answer, kids. Okay, let's see what should be the answer. Let me check it out manually. Nickel, if I say nickel, nickel's atomic number is 28. I will write down 82. 3d8 4s2. Now 2 plus this has gone 3d8. 3d8 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. If this is shifting over here, this is strong field ligand, has a square planar. Oh, they have asked which has square planar geometry. So square planar geometry, this will have, this will also have, this can't have, and this is octahedral. This can't be the answer, octahedral. This is weak field ligand, can't be the answer. Out of these two, you know that these two will be the answer. Its hybridization is sp2d. This will also be the answer. This will, both will be the answer, kids. Both will be the answer. Remember that this is also the answer. This is also the answer, and this is also the answer. Both will be the answer, right, kids? Got it? Even this is also having square planar geometry. This is given by Huggins et al., or its configuration is DsP2. If we are considering DsP2, it's also the answer. So this answer, I cannot say this is the only answer. Both will be the correct answer. Everyone got it? This is also square planar only, right? They have given wrong. CuNH3 4 plus sp3. Just check it out. I am having a doubt. This is not sp3. It is coming out sp3, but it is absolutely wrong. See, the government site has given wrong answer. Absolutely wrong. I will say it is absolutely wrong. Just check it out. Just check it out. It is not sp3. It is not sp3. Wrong. Check it out. This is the Huggins et al. Has solved it. Huggins et al. Has done a research on it. Check it out. Shall we sing? Are you there? Just check it out. Everyone, those who are present, CuNH3 4, they have given tetrahedral. Wrong. It's wrong. Check it out. Those who are watching right now, just check it out. I'm so against it. It's not sp3. It is dsp2. So both the two answers are being correct. Just check it out. Is there anyone who is watching this lecture? Just see. CuNH3 4 2 plus. It's not sp3. It must be dsp2 and sp2d. Check it out. In place of this, dsp2. Got it? Baba is genius. Baba is genius or not? Government site has given the wrong answer. You must have seen. Have you watched it? Now, ionic radius, you know very well. Chemotherapy, very good question. They will ask. This is known as platin. This is known as platin. I think platin. Very, very important. Cisplatin. You see, it's given over here. Cisplatin. Cisplatin. Very, very important. Very, very important. It's very, very important, kids. Very, very important. Everyone got it? Got it? Cisplatin. Very good. The coordination number of central metal atom, 6. 6 is the answer. 6 is the answer. Cancer treatment, gadolinium, cisplatin. The oxidation state of manganese, +7. Simple question, +7. Which of the following complex is diamimetic? You can do it. The number of unpaired electrons should not be present. We have done it. The correct order of reducing power. Reducing power. Very good question. C. Reducing power. Why it is like this? Just see. We know that chromium +3 is more stable. +3 is more stable. More stable. So more stable, definitely +2 will lose electron and will convert into, so it's oxidized. Manganese, remember that manganese +2 is more stable and chromium +3 is more stable. It's given in NCERT. So it's very lengthy one. I said I will take 5 minutes, but in DNA block they have given maximum questions of coordination chemistry. Can you see? Shall we sing and the rest of others? In a D block they have given maximum questions of coordination chemistry, and that's why more time is required in this. Which of the following is not an ambidentate nucleophile? This is, that is. Ammonia is not ambidentate, which can behave as two donor sites. The number of ions produced when this dissociates in water, 3 and 1, 4. 4 ions. Why 4 ions? Just see. It will dissociate like this. Four ions. 4 ions. I hope you got it. Everyone got it. Which of the following transition metal ion is colorless? Scandium 3+. No unpaired electron. So they are getting repeated. They are getting repeated. I hope this is done and dusted. Now any chapter is left. Do you think is there any chapter which one is left? I think we have completed, we have done and dusted every chapter. We have completed each and every chapter, right? So hydrocarbon got completed in aldehyde ketones and only. So each and every chapter we have done. So we have done whole chemistry. We have done, right now we have completed whole chemistry. Completed. First we have completed organic. Then we have completed physical. And then we have completed inorganic chemistry. Each and everything, right kids? Nothing is left. The whole chemistry we have completed. Thank you, Shalvi Singh and everyone. Kids, all the best for your NEET examination. And Baba will be there to give the solution. As soon as Baba is getting paper, Baba will give all the solutions of chemistry, right? Baba will be the first one to produce the whole solution of chemistry paper, okay? Kids, Baba will be there to give the whole solution. Right now we have done. Right now we have completed, tell me what we have done. We have right now completed full chemistry. Full chemistry we have done, full chemistry. So my dear students, I would like to say to everyone, all the best for your examination. Baba is saying all the best for your NEET examination. I'm praying to God, hey Almighty God, bless my all students with the best rank. It's my prayer to Almighty God. My God, please give best rank to all my students. Best rank. I'm praying to God, hey God, Ministry of Education, hey please provide best rank to my students. Satyameva Jayate, Satyameva Jayate. Please, I'm praying to all God, please, may Almighty God bless all my dear students. With best rank, with best rank. It's my humble request to Almighty God, and God will definitely listen to what I'm saying. The students, those who are watching this lecture, I'm praying to Almighty God that my God, please bless all these students with the best rank, and they should go to their dream college. It's my humble request to Almighty God. Bye to all of you. Take care, and definitely everything will be in the right direction. Bye bye. Take care.